Hello, and how are we all doing? I hope you all have a good start to the week. I'm running a little bit late. I was chatting with Minnie Mouse as we were talking about some content creator stuff. Overran a little bit because we're both two people who are very easily distracted and go off on tangents. But there we go, sorted in the end. Right, let me see what we have going on. Okay, so before anything else, we'll tell you what, we'll get on to the game view. I hope we're all doing well. Heck, good to see you. I think I saw Max as well. Wolf Warrior, welcome in. Ah! Ambush hugs! Dang it! Hope you're all doing well, folks. All right, before we get on with the game, collar redeem. I've set up the channel point redeem and everything. I meant to add it to Lakea's profile, and oh shit, it's a fucking. Okay, hang on. No. Okay, give me a second. Because Twitch doesn't give us an easy way of doing. Right, don't do collar. No, hey, no! I'm still setting it up, dude! Alright, I'll redeem it for you when I've got it set up. I'm only doing it because I need the ID, because Twitch does not make it easy for us to get the programming stuff. Twitch is a fucking nightmare when it comes to these channel redeems. Give me a second. Right, what's the ID? That's the ID. Hang on. I can post this in chat, so I'll post a screenshot. Basically, if I post this in the Discord real quick in general, I should put in stream links, you muppet. Yeah, so the issue is that when we set up a channel redeem, each channel redeem gets its own ID, which is that string of characters, but Twitch doesn't give us a way of accessing that channel redeem, and I need it to be able to give it to Lakea so she knows which channel redeem is which. So I have to basically redeem the redeem while Lakea is running so Lakea can go, shit, I don't know what this is, throws an error, shows me the ID so that I can get the ID and then put it in her config file. And once I've got that, I can like restart her and go from there. Right, so copy and paste that. So you're just going to need to give me a few minutes. How are we all doing anyway? I hope we're all doing well. Mustache cuppa. Nah. So this is one that might upset a few folks. We're not going to keep the collar redeem forever. We're going to have it until the end of July. The reason for this is I'm not comfortable with it. We're putting it on because I said I'd do it, and I'm not someone who goes back on their word. I will do something if I've said I've done it. But when I was drawing it, and it is not well drawn, I just wasn't comfortable with the look of it on myself. It's not the kind of item that I would wear. I'm not familiar or comfortable with that kind of thing. So we're going to have it on temporarily for a few months for you guys to use as much as you want, and I will grin and bear it, and we'll get rid of it afterwards. But for now, we are absolutely putting it in, which is one of the reasons why I'm putting it in now. Okay, Twitch redeem. Let's see, where's that ID? There's that ID. Stream. Welcome on in, Prof. How are you doing? How's your train ride going, dude? Oh man, I don't envy you having to do that constantly. Target. What's the target? Target is OBS. Hey, welcome in, Sapphire. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Sorry, I'm just sorting out a few things because I forgot to set up a new channel redeem. So I just need to set Lakea up with this. What do I need? Wolf Howl. I want. Shit. How do we? I've forgotten how I get a. What was it? Oh, sorry, Hair. I do feel a little bit bad, but that's why, as I said, we're putting it on for now. We're absolutely going to have it for the time being. I said I would do it, and I'm not going to take that away from you folks, because you did hit the goal that I set. It's just not something that I'm comfortable seeing on myself, which is why we're making a limited time. Hey, Genius, good to see you, dude. He's the conductor, according to Twitch. Oh, is he the hype train conductor? Nice! I'll be honest, I don't know what the hype train conductor means. I think it's something to do with when you put stuff in for a hype train, but we'll go with it. Do it pretty good. How about yourself? I'm all right. I'm just rushing to try and get something set up for the stream. I meant to do it beforehand and completely ran out of time. Hence why the stream is a little bit late. Okay, here we go. So we want source and we want the value. Give me a moment. Once I've done this, I can restart Lakea and then we can actually get on with the game itself. Source, what do I call the source? Give me a moment. Let me go to my overlays. Color space dash space. Wait, did I actually call it that? Hang on. No, I missed a bit. Okay, yep, color space dash. Okay, let's put it back our game scene. The people who donate the most gift subs. Ah, okay. That would make sense. Something to Google later on, but thanks for letting me know, Jeevius. That would make a lot of sense. Right, so collar space source name embarrassment. You know what? You're not entirely wrong there. How long is that going to enable? Let's see, say 500 points. Let's say pull a number out my ass, 15 minutes, which would be 900 seconds. Right, save that. Now if I restart Lakea, I really need to add a restart command for Lakea, but I'll do that later. Right, close it down. Now restarter. Doopy. Oh man, it's not one of my streams if there isn't a little bit of scuff, eh? To be fair, this isn't really scuff. This is just poor time management. Right, that's going. So now if I do the color redeem, seeing as the... Ugh, I fucking hate this thing. Oh, I fucking hate that thing. Right, there you go. We have the collar. Oh, man. Technical issues are part of your stream identity. They certainly seem to be part of what I do. I mean, in fairness, I build a lot of custom stuff. I don't necessarily test it as well as I should do because I don't have time. So, yeah, I'm prepared to take that. It's a beautiful... Well, I'm glad you guys are loving it. Why not dark blue like your mohawk? I was going kind of like the lightning on my body. Oh, really? The mustache as well? Really? I've got the collar. Oh. Oh, you guys are assholes. Oh, love the color. Well, I'm glad you're liking it, Max. And het. Fuck's sake, anti. Alright, you know what? I won't complain about the cup of tea. Need a fucking top hat. You know what? We can add a top hat. I'm not against adding a top hat. We can actually add more stuff more easily now. Beforehand, we're a little bit limited because like adding more sources to OBS will slowly like use up memory. But I've changed the back end so that we should be able to get by that now. So now we can have as many things as we want on. Well, if we activate too many things at once, we'll still eat up memory, but still. In general, we can have as many things as we want. So if you want more suggestions, stick them in the chat.
You've held that sword for 5 minutes and already think you're a master. You're just adorable.
Ooh, taking on... Ooh, damn, you really do give Lakea a solid fight, don't you? Top hat, a white chair background. Oh, you're trying to tell me... You know what? I reckon if I was to add the part of a villain, I reckon I could make a pretty good villain. Yeah, I reckon I could make a pretty good villain. Nice, Jeevious joining in. Go on, let's see if you can beat her. Go on, get her. Anyway, I haven't said what we're actually doing today. So, today we're just having a bit of a chill stream. We don't have Minecraft music. Why is our music not going? Well, it should be going, but it ain't. Thanks, Minecraft. Add a Siamese. Oh, Genius, please put these in the Discord, and I will add those as soon as I can. Holy shit, like a white chair, Siamese cat, like monocle top hat. Holy shit. Yeah, I would make a pretty solid villain, I reckon. I reckon I could be a pretty solid villain. Oh, that's nearly dead. Hey, Tim, welcome on in, buddy. You'd be a villain. You know what? I reckon I could pull off that villain pretty well, like Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Like, yeah, I could see that. I could see that. I would own that role, you know? I would absolutely own it. Oh man, you know what? I kind of wish I could genuinely do that. Anyone know of any shows looking for voice actors or anything? Any actors? You have the community stuff. We're not working on that today, Max. Yeah, I should probably say what I'm doing. I am working on our little tunnel project. The community storage is done. Actually, did Bladed finish the bridge at all? Oh yeah, bridge is done. Yeah, the community storage is all done. Hey, nice to see you, Max. How you doing? But you're welcome to come help me with the tunnel if you want. Or it sounds like Het's got something on. It's up to you, dude. You're welcome to come help me, or you can do your own thing, or you can go help Het. I am working on the tunnel project. Have you seen? I think you've seen it, haven't you, Max? Think you've seen it. What was I doing? Yes, making shit. Cabin. Yes, I did. Well, I don't think has Twitch chat seen it. Twitch might. Oh, hello. Seen the thing rise there background. Let's show it off for chat, shall we? We'll want to go grab the minecart. Like Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz. Oh man. What would be like my reason for it? Like let's face it, world domination would be what would I do world domination? Would I? Like, don't get me wrong, it's a big aim. I'd aim big. But that just feels too, too done. Like, come on. Let's come up with a better, what's my actual goal? If I'm going to be the villain, what's my actual goal? I need a big, ambitious goal. But something that's not as mundane as world domination. Did I take the minecart? I did take the minecart. Here we go. And who would be my nemesis? Who would be the hero to, like, me being the villain? Yes, then! Controller, hell yeah! I'll take all the tea in the world for myself. It's my tea. No one else can have it. World confusion. Don't have any idea what you do. I can kind of see that as well. To return Britain to its former glory. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, would I? I don't know if I'd do that, Sapphire. I'm not much of a royalist. I'm not someone who's overly proud to be British. I'm British, and that's just about all I can say on the matter. Main nemesis, the holy shit, yes. Alright, how's this? Main nemesis is the coffee companies, and Lakea, she's the secret agent who's always coming to, like, foil my plans. Where I'm trying to make tea. Like, I'm trying to turn. How's this? Hold up. What if I'm trying to turn all the water in the world to tea? All the water, the seas, the rivers, the oceans, all the water in your taps, all of it becomes tea. That's my grand plan. You mean before? Oh, we are a fucking mess of a country. We really are. Do you not feel like... No, why would I want to enslave people? No. Oh, would I? Oh, no, I'm not so sure about that. Destroying countries. You know what? I do like a good fight. So, yeah, that sounds like a good fight. Let's go. Then you'd be a poet, T. His secret identity is a fabulous, charming wolfie. Oh, by day, he is a Twitch streamer. playing Minecraft and building random shit that never fucking works. By night, he's an evil, maniacal, masterminding villain, planning to destroy all the water in the world and replace it with tea. Question is, you've changed it all to tea or just adding tea to the water? Where the fuck did this minecart come from? Eh? What the fuck? Oh shit. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Fuck. No, I've lost my... Get back here. Hang on, give me a minute, Max. No. Fuck. Well, shit. I'm not seeing them again. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Well, I guess I gotta make some more minecarts. The ocean being salty tea would be impressive. Yeah, you know what? I'd take that. I'd take that. Let's see. Let's TP. Tell you what, give me a minute, Max. I'll TP you in a minute. Oh, man. Against native... Nah, I've got nothing wrong with native African clans. Nothing wrong with them. I have got things that... You know what? I should go to war against capitalism and stuff like that. Go to war with Britain itself. Britain is a mess. God, no. In fact, no. Actually, scratch that plan. That's a little bit too real world. Where did I get this cobblestone? All right, Max. I'm TPing you to me. Is it not? Oh, no, no, no. That Mad Max. That's why. Here we go. Oh, what are some of these quotes? That quote's you're not good to... I love that quote. Hey, just because my country does stuff, Sapphire, doesn't mean that I condone it. Trust me, what the people of Britain want and what, the government do are not normally the same thing. In fact, to be fair, the people of Britain are all over the place as well. Anyway, Max, let's see. So, follow me, dude. So, want to help? I'll give you that. Because otherwise, we will be traveling for a while if we go on foot. Alright, follow me, buddy. I don't know if you've got the stream up, so... Alright. Oh, that Skyrim one put me the fuck down. Hell yeah. I love that one. You have got the stream up. Awesome. That makes things a little bit easier. Oh, that's it. That's your fucking... Yeah. That was a little bit embarrassing. Alright, down here, Max. Right. When we get down, dude, take the track on the right. Don't take the track on the left. The track on the left goes well past where we want to go. So this one. See you in a minute. Yeah, maybe 15 minutes was a little bit too long for the collar. Oops. I should have set it to 10. Oh well. Oh man. You know what? I really want to play the villain in something now. I really want to play the villain in something. Why do I have this? Yeah, there we go. Oh man. I would love that. Being able to be so enthusiastic and fully get into something. But get done over by the stupidest of things. Having someone try it, I love the idea of... no, it wouldn't actually, Alex. No, it wouldn't. So, normally Elytra is faster than Rails, but on this server we've got a plugin that can make the powered rail faster. So you'll notice all the powered rail has redstone blocks below it. This makes the minecarts the same speed as the maximum speed of the Elytra. So these things fucking move, it's nuts. But yeah, it would totally be something I would do to have my nemesis try and stop me and then create... Ooh, okay, stop just after the... Shit, the minecart! Fuck! Okay, Max, we get to the corner. You all get out then. And, well, I guess we're losing the minecarts. We can make more. We can make more. We'll let him catch up. Yeah. Like, have someone try and stop me and then put them in some really stupid and overly convoluted, like, distress where it's like, oh, yes, you're going to die by this random laser reflects off all these mirrors. It's going to slice you into a million pieces all at the same time. And I don't know, like, I forgot to lock the restraints or something. That would be very much my kind of thing. Yeah, there goes another minecart. There's going to be a lot of minecarts that way. Right, okay. When Max gets here, let me just take a quick stock of what we've got. Okay, plenty of stone, little low on wood, but I think we're... Yeah, okay. So, need to start filling this out. Oh, I gave you a minecart, Max. Do you not have a mine? You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. There you go. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry, dude. Maybe you can use slime blocks. We could, but the real issue here is we've just laid the track too far. That's fine. Don't worry about it, Max. No worries. So what we're doing is if I give you that diamond pick so that you're not wearing through your own tools, we need to clear these out. We want stone along the top, and then we want bricks for down here. So if you can help me clear out these walls and that a little bit, that'll be very much appreciated. I'm going to go get another diamond pickaxe because I don't want to wear out my nice one, and this one's almost gone. Here's a diamond shovel as well, dude. Just in case. I'll be back in a moment. I just want to make another shovel and another pickaxe. My favourite sword fight is lightsaber versus Darth Maul Rebels. I've not seen that one. I have not seen that fight at all. What do I need? I need a couple of sticks. Sticks! Let's go. Let's go. Alright. There's that. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Back to the tunnel. Oh, man. Here we go. I've been playing, like, the Fantasy MC mod pack a little bit over the weekend. So now I feel really fucking slow, because in that I move way too quick. I actually move a little too fast. I actually struggled to control it a little bit. Wait, nope, that's the brick. We want that. Need a more redstone. Alright, that's very true. Thank you. Thank you very much, Tim. Appreciate you joining. If you all join at any point, feel free to hop on in. Right, let's just clear this as much as we can. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see. So that bit wants to come out. Oh boy. Yeah, we're slowly getting there with this tunnel. What kind of weird random ass like what's the weirdest like situation you could put the hero in, do you think? Like the most weird like I guess it's like person in distress kind of scenario. What kind of like death trap? The weirdest death trap you guys could come up with. What's the weirdest death trap you guys can come up with? I want your ideas. T-brain control. That would be a pretty good goal for me to you know, like take over the world. Control the world through T. That would be pretty solid. I'd make an ace villain for that. Oh man. Thing is, that would actually also cast some. If we had Lakea as like the hero and me with the villain, yeah, that would also work pretty well. Always be me just forgetting something really obvious, and that would be the reason why I would lose every time. Kind of like Eggman in Sonic, to be honest. Often his arrogance is what lets him down a little bit. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I forgot to set that up. Dang. Okay, give me a moment while I set something else up. I need this to be recording that. Ooh, that ain't right. There we go. What do you mean this site can't be reached? Oh man. Oh, I also didn't get the channel update added, which was a bit of a pain. I tried recording the channel update yesterday. I actually recorded it twice, and I wasn't happy with either recording. I just really wasn't feeling like, I don't know what it was, but I just could not. I wasn't in the mood. I couldn't record anything I was happy with. It was all crap, which is why it just didn't get done. So I'm hoping to get it done later this week. We will see. But we've got some good stuff. Something we have something new now. So in the chat, I'll talk about this more when I do sort out the channel update. We have a bits total command. I've not added it to the commands list yet. But you can use it right now. It'll tell you how many bits you've ever total cheered in the channel. But as a heads up, you will need to cheer at least once so that it can like get that data from Twitch. But yeah, it'll tell you how many. Where's Max gone? Oh fuck! Max is going nuts on that corner. He's miles ahead of me. I'll be your willing victim for the team. Would you be my assistant, dude? Would you be my assistant? You know what? I'd take all the help I could get. Yeah, you bloody are, dude. You're going nuts. It's because I'm too busy talking and getting distracted. Which is pretty on par for me. Pretty on par for me. Damn. Definitely need that. You're all brawl and no brain. Hey, I have brains. Look, let's not mix up sporadicness and ADHD with... I don't even know what the right words would be. Okay. Oh, man. I might not have enough brains to, like, take over the world with tea, though. That I might need a little bit of help with. Yeah, you got any plans, Het? I hope you know how to make controlling tea, because I haven't got a shit. Boom, 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 boom. I guess I get this as well. I don't actually know how far Tim's dug. The tunnel only goes so far, but we can also only build it so far because we need Prof to figure out how he wants to get it at the other end. But we'll get there. What we might do in a short while, we'll do more on the tunnel first, but I have started building a fortress on my island. So we might do a little bit of work on that. I don't know. I haven't planned very far. Sugar. That's one way of like just getting everyone hyper. People are enslaved to sugar anyway. I'm kind of curious. What do you mean by that, dude? Boom, boom. Just get these on the bits. Like, Max is right to skip these because you don't need to, but I'm being very perfectionist. Much to Tim. I think that was winding Tim up a little bit, but there we go. Let's see, what do we need? This side. If you're looking to what's in groceries, salt, fat, and sugar is basically in everything. I mean, that's true. Those are in pretty much everything. I'm still not sure what you mean by people are enslaved to it, though. Do we want a bit of music? I'm kind of feeling some music. Do folks want a bit of music on the stream? We should have Minecraft playing music, but we don't for some reason. Thanks for the heads up, Max. We figured there might be more water at some point. With the amounts we get in, we are basically all addicted. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what you mean by that. Like, yes, we consume a lot of those, because, as you said, they're in everything we eat. But does that necessarily mean we are addicted? If you were to remove those, would we have cravings to have more? I mean, you might be right, we might be. I'm just, from what you've said so far, I've not seen much to indicate that we are addicted. I got you to the tunnel for that deep dive. I saw drown. Oh, cool. There was loads of drowns. The drowned aren't actually too bad. What was a real pain in the ass was quite early on when we were going through the temple. Oh, those fucking guardians. Absolute bloody nightmares they were. Absolute bloody nightmares. Is this real life? Or is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. No escape from reality. I can't sing to save my life. I certainly can't sing Bohemian Rhapsody. Fucking hell, Freddie Mercury was a completely different other league to what I can sing. I wanted to get it, but oh wait, the tunnel goes through a deep dark. I didn't know it went through a deep dark. I mean, Tim dug a lot of the tunnel. Yeah, please don't destroy the tunnel. If you want to go, like, explore the deep dark around it, then absolutely feel free. Just please don't blow up the tunnel in the process. Oh, you wanted to get the trident. Oh, I mean, if you want to, like, knock out a couple of bricks to go get the trident and replace it afterwards, that's fine. It's not a case of you can't do anything. So long as you repair the tunnel afterwards, I don't mind you putting in a couple of holes to travel through it. Just make sure you fix it up afterwards would be all I ask. Appreciated, Max. Appreciated. I'm definitely better than I used to be, but I wouldn't call myself a singer by any class of it. I would love to learn to sing, to be fair. I'm slowly, very slowly, learning to play guitar, and I would love to be able to, like, properly sing as well. Okay, we have got music on. It's just very quiet for some reason. You've reached the fucking hell, dude. If you tell you what, why don't you stop where you are and come back down the other side, Max? As you come back down, can you get the bottom blocks as well? Beep, 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 beep. And then we should have a fair bit of we've got a load of stone. We can start building it in after that. Oh, Max is honestly seen as though Tim's AWOL. Who knows what Tim's doing? Yeah, no, I absolutely didn't ask him to join today because I didn't plan this at all. Yeah, so Max is helping me out. Yeah, just come. So keep digging on the other side. Oh, there's already stone bricks around here. Huh. Okay. Oh, there's cobble. Okay. Yeah, just keep digging it out as you are, dude. But don't dig the stone bricks, because that's what we're building there. I have... Oh, Pop Goes the Weasel. Oh, is that like the full thing for Pop Goes the Weasel? There? I guess I'll be honest, I did not recognize most of that. It wasn't until I read the final line that I was like, oh, Pop Goes the Weasel. Don't think I've actually heard that in years. Probably since I was like a toddler. Fucking hell. Pop Goes the Weasel. Not that I can remember any of the rest of it, but still, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. It is kind of nice that water doesn't pop off minecart tracks anymore. Honestly, it was really kind of dumb that it did before. It's nice that it doesn't now. Oh, cool. I'll get rid of this cobblestone in the ceiling as well. Let's see. Get rid of the gobble. The gobble. How's your tower coming on, by the way, Max? I've been keeping an eye out, so the screenshots you've been posting in Discord is looking really good, dude. I know Het was also doing a load of stuff, and that looked good. Why am I not? Oh fuck! You're not playing Fantasy Fabric right now, Materies. Fuck. Oh man. Let's see. So yeah, we'll take most of this. Pop goes the evergreen. Towers resume from the inside while the mini Ooh, nice. Did you Oh, what were they? The Arctic foxes, was it? You found? Were you able to claim them in the end? I know you put something in the Discord about like the way that works. I'll be honest, I don't remember. The amount of messages I see in the Discord, I go, oh, neat, and then completely forget because brains. My brain only half works. When it works at the speed of a fucking bullet, but that's only once every 10 fucking days. Bred the two together and named the little fella. Hey, Philip! Nice! Tiz, when you mined through the underworld temple, did you find a sponge room? Tim went and got all the sponges, yes. We've been using them for the tunnel, when we're going through all the underwater bit. I think we're going to keep hold of them for now because they're awkward to get to. But if you need them later on when we're done with the tunnel, I'm happy to lend you some. At the point... Yeah, don't worry about that leak. We'll sort it out when we get there, dude. We'll sort it out when we get there. Yeah, you'd have to ask Tim, because I really could not be asked to do the temple. Like, the Guardians were a pain in the ass as it was. So I don't know what else he looted. We definitely took the sponges. And we do go through, like, the bottom bit of the temple. Beyond that, you'd have to ask him, I'm afraid. Yeah, if you are help with the ceiling. If there's stone anywhere, leave the stone in. Because, the way it is, Max, is the walls are going to be stone brick. And then the ceiling is going to be stone in between the wooden trusses. So if there's anything that's not stone, get rid of it. Beep, beep. We'll do a few more sections, and then I think we'll go grab a load of stone. And we can start filling things in. Yeah, I'll be honest. I didn't plan much for, like, this week. Everything was very last minute. Because I just was not thinking much yesterday. So I was like, fuck it, what can we do? Yeah, regular stone stays. Everything else, get rid of it. The same for these wall bits as well. Because I'm being very pedantic. So the total ceiling is going to be stone. And then bricks up to the top. Because I'm a perfectionist, which really does not go well with the ADHD. There we go, that's sorted. What else did I plan for this week? I don't even remember. Ah, yes, we're getting back on with Zelda. Hell, yeah. So the main reason we stopped playing... No, hey, buddy. Oh, dude. Hope you're able to get your stuff back, man. Grabbing me cup before it goes cold. Yeah, so the reason we stopped playing Zelda for a while was just because the game broke. The game broke, it wouldn't run, and I didn't want to lose that save. I didn't want to start over, and I was absolutely livid. I was not happy. Only had a set of leaves with me? Okay, that's not too bad then. Didn't lose anything major. But I've managed to, like, fix it, and by fix it, I mean I copied the save file elsewhere. I reinstalled the game, I put the save file back in, we're good to go. So, we're going back with that one. Be good to try and finish off Zelda as well, because we've got quite a few unfinished games. We're also going to take another stab at Sonic Heroes, though that game stresses me out. Stresses me the fuck out. Right, okay. Let's start filling in. Ooh, burp. Oh. Feck off, zombies. Feck off, zombies. Hey, RT the Kobodo, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome on into the Woodland Rangers. Also, holy shit, we've just hit our follower goal of 210 followers. Awesome. Thanks for all the follows, everyone. I hope we're all enjoying our little community over here. Right, let's see. So, cobblestone in there. That's filling up. Copper, and then the other gunk in there. Oh, coal wants to go in there. I'll go empty this real quick so that Max can empty his inventory. Ah, nighttime. Let's sleep for a moment. While I'm doing this though, oh, you can't really see it on the map. Dang, I need to actually change this so that I can like scroll on the map or whatever. But I am starting to build a fortress over here. And we got plenty of stone ready to go. Though also still using it for the tunnel itself. Yeah, that's finally burning through all of it. I've now got pop. Just that one line, "Pop goes the weasel," is going on loop inside my head. Damn, why'd you have to do that to me? Right, okay. Drop this one in. Right. If you're still listening, Max, if you all come back over here, we can start building stuff. Let's get a load of stone bricks made. No worries. Oh, you can't shift click into this crafting table. Dang it. No, Materies, learn how to work a fucking crafting table. Okay, I'll nab that as well. And then I'll nab the stone. Grab a load of stone that we can use for the ceiling. Okay. Wait, is that them? Oh, bye-bye, minecart. I love the amount of minecarts we're going to have at both ends of this. I do not blame you at all. Okay, so in this shulker box, Max, there's a load of stone. If you all grab yourself a load, make yourself some stone bricks out of some of it, and then we're going to start filling this lot in. So we want ceiling to be completely stone and the walls to be bricks. So if you all help me start doing that, and then we can move the kit down a little bit at a time. This is pretty much how we've been building the tunnel, to be fair. Little bit at a time. Originally, I was doing it one section at a time, like each one of these being like a section, but that was going so slowly and so frustratingly that I just did as Tim said. Built a load at a time. Burning through stone, but thankfully we got a lot of that. I think we've also got chests I'm going to have to empty around here. It's gonna be good though. Gonna be good. I can't remember if we're talking about on stream, but I was kind of debating expanding this project as well, so that we can have these like tracks going to other places. I've just realised we said a while ago about setting up signs at spawn to say who's where. I never did that. I never asked who in the Discord wanted to be included in it. Dang. Someone remind me in the Discord later on. I'll sort that out. Ah, bollocks. Slowly getting there. Just shows how long it takes. When you see like speed builds in like videos and that, people doing montages, really goes to show just how long they spend building these things. In the heat. Oh, in the heat of passion. Oh, that makes it sound so much like almost more romantic than what it actually is, and not just me being fucking scatterbrained. That makes two of us, het. Don't worry about it, that makes two of us. I was literally talking to, like, because the stream was a little bit late because I was talking to Minnie Mouse. We were talking about some content creation stuff and things like that. And like we're both pretty like ADHD and like so we both have a real habit of like looking at stuff and thinking that's cool, I can do that. Let's go. I won't give that a go. And before we know it, we've suddenly got hundreds of different hobbies that we're trying to do. Because we just look at something and go, that's cool. I won't give that a go. Oh, it's non-fucking stop. Oh, I would be so happy if this farm is done. What farm are you working on right now, Het? You said earlier something about the end. Are you working on a Enderman farm? Ah, Enderman farm. Yeah. Ooh. How does an Enderman farm work? I assume it includes water, given that kills Enderman. Or have you got a different way of farming them? Also, Max, you're a fucking machine, dude. Holy shit. Way faster than I am. I'm being too much of a chatterbox. Found the pole back we used. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Honestly, an Enderman farm would be really good. Like infinite Ender Pearls. I wouldn't complain. Ender Pearls were the more pain in the ass items in the game to try and get. They really are. Nope. How they say is that you've built a platform in the void. Why O level? Oh, as in like below minus level? Damn. Yeah, no, that is gonna be awkward. Like trying to build that without just throwing yourself off the edge repeatedly. It's gonna be a major ball ache. Also, damn, we're making good progress. Holy shit. This is what happens when you've got like helping hands. Like that was one of my favorite things, I think. Or maybe not my favorite, but definitely like a really cool thing. Working with folks on the community storage area. How, like, when we actually got stuff sorted and we knew what we were doing, we were able to work on things really fucking quick. Hang on, here you go, dude. Make yourself some more bricks out of those. Oh, no worries. You just needed to get. Yeah, like, thing was, I didn't have a plan. I was making it up as I went along, which normally is fine. But when I'm trying to stream as well, I'm scatterbrained. Yeah, not gonna happen so well. The thing is, I can do like. I can be scatterbrained and entertain and stuff like that and try and like stream, or I can be a proper leader. I can't do both at the same time. Not that good. Ooh, we should have more wolf sound effects, but I think I had to disable some of them because they were being like the new ones were being a bit wacky, which was really annoying because I was enjoying having like new wolf sound effects, but they kept breaking shit. Shit breaking on me. Nah. I want to add more sound effects to the stream and that. Like with how the back end works now, while it still needs some tweaks, we can basically have as much stuff as we want. Basically, as long as I don't run out of storage space on my PC, we can have as much stuff as we want, which is beautiful. Beforehand, we could have loads, but we're kind of limited by how many sources we could have in OBS without the stream lagging. Damn, you're moving quick, dude. Give me a second. Alright, okay, come back over here. You have to give me a minute. I have to go get us more stone. I did like that one stream where it was raining and thundering a bit. Was that in Minecraft? Or was that the Woodland Scene? Which stream was that? It is a cool atmosphere though. Did I miss? You fucking muppet. Okay. Right, give me a second, Max. I will be back with a load of... In fact, tell you what. If you take the stone that's in there, I'll go get us some more. And then I'll fill up the shulker box again. Right, back here a moment. Oh, the woodlands, yes. I do like the thunder and lightning, to be fair. The wind is a bit of a pain in it. It's a little over the top. Trying to tweak the wind is a bit of a pain. But the sounds, oh man, it sounds absolutely brilliant. We won't get it from there. We'll go for our chests over here. The only slight annoyance is that when it is thunder and lightning, that gets me a copyright strike on YouTube when I upload the streams. Like, it's literally on the stream for like 2 minutes in like however long the stream is, and it's like, nope, that's enough for a copyright strike. What? I'm getting well, not a copyright strike, but a content ID claim, and it's like, why is someone able to claim my content of like over a 3-hour stream for like 2 minutes of audio that's not even like the entire stream? That's not how it works, but damn it, YouTube. Alright, here we go. Ooh, bit far back. But alright, I'll stop ranting now. They are really cool. Mother Nature claims their nature back. If it was Mother Nature, I wouldn't have a problem with it. You know what? I'm going to grab myself more stone back from the cabin. I'll leave that stone for Max. Yeah, if it was Mother Nature, I wouldn't have an issue with it. Instead, it's fucking greedy companies. Was that where the sun was saying before? I don't remember. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. At some point, I've said this before, but we are also going to be redoing that scene. It's probably not going to be for a short while, but we're going to completely do it up. Make a completely new one and add a whole bunch more stuff to it. Now, I'm super excited for when we do that. That is not the tunnel Materies. Tunnel, there we go. Here we go. Hang on. In fact, let's move this down a little bit. Let's move this down a little bit. How was my day? Long. Work is not going to be fun for the next few weeks. Can't really say more than that, but it's not going to be fun for the next few weeks. Oh, boys. But we'll get by. We'll get by. How was your day, dude? I hope it was good. But is it as cool as a tomato walking through a supermarket while wearing sunglasses? No, I don't think it was as cool as that. Ooh, I don't know. That's a pretty cool tomato. Cool tomato. Much better than annoying orange. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Went to a local game store to play some Pokemon cards. Nice. How did your games go? Bricks. Oh, I should probably change my warp point. Learn to spell, delete. How many shiny cards do you have now, Heck? Because I know you do a lot of shiny hunting in the game. Do you have a lot of shinies for the cards as well? Right, there we go. That moves this up. Have I missed bits? I fucking missed bit. Materies. What the fuck are you doing, dude? I'm slacking. I'm fucking slacking. Damn. Try this again. Damn, Max. You are miles ahead of me, dude. Lost 2 times, that's fine. I do it for fun. Hey, that's the most important thing. Anytime you go to any tournament or anything like that, having fun is absolutely the most important thing. Did have to do groceries too, but it was pretty big rain. Yeah, rain sucks. I will walk in the rain. I will deal with it, but it fucking sucks. No shiny cards yet. That shit is expensive. Oh, do you not just find it in like decks or anything? I thought like it was a random chance in the deck. So the shiny's different. Beats me at my own game. Oh, absolutely. I am not very good at Minecraft anymore. When I was younger, I spent a lot more time playing it. Yeah, I was pretty good at things like the redstone and that. But now, not so much. Want me to continue digging the walls? Yeah, if you're happy to continue digging the walls, Max, go nuts. At the end of the day, you helping me on anything is a massive appreciation, dude. So, absolutely anything helps. We're also... Oh, wait, no, I think we've still got some ore clogs for now, so we're good on that. Let's see, I need more bricks. I need more bricks. I did convince my con buddy to come with me to the Horatio con. Ooh. Well, shiny cards are pretty rare in the card game. They did have some in store, but 30 euros each for a card? Fucking hell. How much is, like, just a normal deck? Like, if you want to buy a normal pack of cards, how much are they? So that I've got, like, some more context. £30 for a card is a lot, though. It is not cheap. Reach the end of wood pillars. I'll keep spacing. Yeah, if you could keep spacing them like the wooden pillars are, that would be awesome. Thank you. In fact, yeah, just keep mining all the walls because we'll have to mine the bits out for the wooden pillars anyway. Like, it's insane just how expensive some of these things are. I know I haven't really looked in a while, but I sort of collect some of the old Beyblades. Not like the new Beyblade Bursts or anything, but like the old Takarama Beyblades. I've got loads of those, but they stopped making them years ago. So now some of them go for absolutely insane prices. Like nutso prices. One of them, like a Dragoon first generation, like unopened, you can be looking at like 250 quid, which is nuts. I don't know what that would be in euros, but a lot, maybe 300 euros, 320 euros if I had to guess. It's crazy, but like I said, they don't make those ones anymore, so pardon me, they're kind of rare. Depends, you have a built and go deck, but also booster packs. Should have been €20. Horatio's collective name for... Oh yeah, I meant to ask you about that con. What was that con like? Did you enjoy it? Honestly, after going to Confuzzled, I just want to do more cons. I want to do more stuff like that. And I want to run my own panels, as daft as it sounds. I want to make some of my own panels. And I think there's stuff that I could run panels on, so maybe. I might put something for next Confuzzled, see if I land one. No! Hey! Oh, sorry, dude. Damn Enderman. The end is an unforgiving place, isn't it? It is not a nice place to be. Right, get that stone replaced. Wait, no, that is stone, isn't it? Is that stone? Yeah, that's stone. Yeah, that's stone. Couldn't recognise stone for a moment. Oh, as in the coming January. Oh, that's a bit harsh, hey? No need to call me stupid just because I misread your message. Okay, so, well, I hope you enjoy yourself, dude. Have a good time. Crochet is my profession, so I go to a job... Oh, hang on. Hotel, restaurant. Oh, okay. Horatia's collective name. Oh, what do we call it? Hospitality. We call that the hospitality industry. That makes sense then. Ho for hotel, restaurant. Okay. That makes sense, like combining bits of the words together. Okay. Kind of cool. Yeah, like I said, we call that the hospitality industry in the UK. Interesting to see you guys have a separate name for it, though. It makes sense. Roche is my profession, so I go to a job con, you can say. That makes sense. To, like, go to different events to work on the different... Yeah, I can see that. That doesn't sound too different to the bar work I did while I was a student at university. I did bar work for a while. That was, not fun, but the main reason what I did wasn't fun was if it was at like just a pub somewhere doing bar work, I'd probably have enjoyed it. But I did it at like events at like race courses where like they would be racing horses and stuff, And honestly, that was not fun. The stress of those environments and the way people treat, like the people who go, not everyone, but a lot of the folks that go to those kinds of events do not treat the bar staff well. They really don't. Like, I remember at one point, I wasn't taught how to pull a pint properly. I was literally just showed, like, there's the thing, put the cup under it, pull down, bang, you've got a pint. So, like, I really struggled for a while learning how to pull a proper pint. But I slowly got there. I was able to pull off some decent pints, and I had one person refuse to pay at one point because the head was not exactly 1 inch. And when I mean exactly, the dude pulled out a fucking ruler and measured the head on his fucking pint. Like, I get it. If there's no head on it or half the cup isn't a head, I totally get it. You're not going to pay for that. But when it's like half a millimeter off, go fuck yourself. Pay for your drink. Even now, that still makes me angry. That still makes me angry, even now. Oh, empty minecart. Can do, Mac. In fact, yeah, if you're okay to pick it up and send it back down the track, then it's at least at my end of the tunnel, and I don't have to go flying to who knows where to grab that minecart again. We're getting up losing minecarts while we're building this damn thing. Thanks, buddy. Beep, 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 beep. Awesome. Thank you very much. Oh boy, we have those kinds of customers. Oh, they absolutely suck, don't they? They absolutely suck. Like, some customers are great, perfectly fine. You can have a bit of a chat and even get on with them. But others are just, oh, you really just want to punch them. Like, I'm not normally one to condone violence off the bat like that, but some customers, you really just want to punch. Oh, I bet it's the same guy that for their footlong. Yep, yep. Almost certainly. I could see that. It's infuriating. Absolutely infuriating. Oh boy. Then minecart. I just get flattened by a minecart. Run away, minecart. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, hello, Lupin. Why are you showing on stream? Where did you come from, you little shit? One word can. I'm not going to go into stereotypes because some stereotypes can be harmful. But yeah, to some extent, yeah. Some folks knows what I'm on about, having worked in hospitality himself. Like, I'm sure there's others in chat who know. It's just horrendous. Like I said, it's not all of them though. Like, some folks are amazing. We had one guy who at one point where I worked one shift who hung around at the bar all day. He was by himself and he was just like quietly having drinks. He was chatting with us lot on the bar, and we were quite busy. We weren't able to like stand and chat for long, but we were like having conversation with him as we were like serving other folks. And there was like 8 or 9 of us on this bar, just kind of circling around. He was just happily hanging out with us while he was betting on the horses. Side note, I don't particularly like the way that some places work, but that's a whole other conversation. And he won every bet. He won over £1,000 on one day because his best won on every race. And at the end of the day, he just said, you know what? I've enjoyed hanging out with you guys. And he put in a £20 tip for everyone on the bar. For everyone. He paid over £100 in tips so that all of us got £20 in tips from this one dude. It was like, holy shit, dude. Like, we were blown away at that. So some folks are truly amazing. Looping, is there a reason you're still on stream? Oh dear. Create. Okay. I might have broke something. Alright, give me a minute to fix the script real quick. Oops. This is why looping's not fucking off. Give me a second. Looping. I know you enjoy being on stream, dude, but now's not the time. Little shit. We'll fix this real quick. It's because I was making some changes to the script the other day. Let's see. That one. Create Twitch connection. There we go. Fixed it. It's literally one line I had to fix there. And it's entirely because I am a muppet. Very easy to do. But you know what? Fuck it. While we're here, let's run a random event, shall we? What do we get? What do we get? When my stream deck decides... No! No, no, no! I didn't want you to run an advert, you piece of junk! Oh, for the love of shit! Fine. Bastard. Are you gonna run... Oh, fuck off. I don't... Fine, fine. I'll run it manually. Oh, I hate this thing sometimes. Oh, my stuff works, honest. Oh, my mother is turned into a cat. Oh, no, dude. I don't envy you dealing with that. Sounds interesting. Oh, absolutely. Is on its husp by seconds. Ooh, okay. If you come over to me, Max, in fact, yeah, if you come to me when, if you go back to the chests, the, shulker boxes, when it runs out, I will make you a new shovel. Oh, those are the good days? Absolutely, they really were. I mean, partly because of the killer tips, like, holy shit. But mainly just because, like, those customers treated us nicely. Like, as I'm sure you can oh, do you need it now? Okay, let me go back to mine. I'll meet you there. Like, just general note, guys. Like, regardless of where you are, whether you're at the bar or whether you're at a restaurant or whatever, just treat your waiters with some respect. Like, you don't, like, it's not even necessarily like anything major. Just a bit of basic respect, please. Please, saying please and thank yous and stuff like that. Here you go, dude. Think Lupe's cute. Oh, well, nice of you to say so. He's a little shit. He's a pain in the fucking ass. But aye, yeah, don't boost his ego. He's a little rascal, he is. No worries, Max. Oh, I say little. He's still like 6 foot himself, but he likes to wind people up. Oh, talk of the devil, he's now giving out XP again. Well, Looping's helping folks out. We love you, you muffin head. Oh, appreciate it, dude. I am a bit of a numbskull sometimes. I'm not stupid, but I can also be incredibly daft. Fuck it. Did you? I didn't even see you, dude. Fuck hell, the Elytras do look cool. Like, when you fly by, they do look fucking cool. Oh, especially with the sparkles. What tip did he give? Don't point your sword at yourself. Yeah, it was just a minor tip. Like, you know, Prof should know better. Prof's trained with, like, guns and he shouldn't need tips. Oh. I'm also curious why he gave it to Prof. Prof's not in chat right now. Looping, we've spoke about this. You're meant to give the experience. You're meant to give these tips to folks who are active in the chat. Not anyone else. I'll have words with him later on. He's being a pain. He's doing his own thing again. He's being a pain in the backside. Little prat. Point away from face. Point away from face. My face or theirs. Oh no, it depends who you. If you're trying to like stab someone, you kind of want it at their face. Let's see. You really want to take down Lakea, don't you, Het? You really are gunning for Lakea. I reckon you can all, like... You're getting close. You're going to be able to beat her soon. Some more levels. Come on. Let's get this wall built. We could have this bit glass, but fuck it. I can't be asked to go get the glass. So, fuck that shit. Point away from face. No, I don't get that reference, I'm afraid, dude. I've got Zorro in my head, but that's not it. That's pointy bit goes through other person. Or, roughly speaking, or something like that. I was going to say Princess Bride, but it's actually been so long since I've seen Princess Bride, I don't remember what that one is. Let's see, so we want to come across this side. Man, this ticklish throat cough is doing me nothing. Oh, shit, that's not what I want. No, that's not what I want. No, Materies. Dude. Come on, dude. There we go. Just like that everyone to get up. Hey, everyone gets experience. That's very true. But it's also a case of people might not have the points set. Or maybe they don't want to spend the points. Which is one of the things that I'm actually going to be talking about in the channel update. I think I mentioned this the other stream. I am going to be making those cheaper. I am going to be making those cheaper to make it easier for folks to get into. Because they don't need to be so expensive no more. They done the job. They done the job. Damn wall. Get out of here. Right, once I've done up to there-ish, I'll probably go back and move the stuff up. It's the Gretactic. Oh, what? That's the dwarf digging game, isn't it? I've not played that. I've been told I really like it, but I've not played it. Oh, wait, no, that was ages ago. Oops, wrong redeem. Oh. Hey, you putting up a solid fight there, though, Het. Come on. Oh, boy, lava. Okay, that's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass, isn't it? Dang it. It's like that film, Volcano, where, like, the volcano springs up in the middle of the city. Quite an old film, that. I don't know how many people actually know of it. Has anyone seen that movie? I'm guessing not. I don't... When did it come out? Like, ooh! You and me both, Wolf. I wish I could draw like that. I really can't. Like, some artists are nuts. That one that came up earlier, I think... Was it one of Zellart's? I didn't get a proper look at which piece it was. But I think it was one of Zellart's, that one. Yak, they did, your character here. And honestly, beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. I want to get more out of Lakea next, I think. More of Lakea would be good. And more of looping. I've not got much of looping either. You saw... Hey, nice. I think I recently rewatched it a couple of months ago. The special effects for it are a bit dated. They really are a bit dated. But still, I enjoy watching it. It's an alright film. There's one... the one... Yes, that's Zellart's then. The one that Pablock absolutely ruined for me, the little shit. Oh, man. Yeah, decent little movie. Decent little disaster movie. I do enjoy watching some disaster movies, to be fair. Some of them are a bit crap, but others are actually pretty good. Actually pretty good. Alright, I'm going to come have a look to see how far ahead you are, Max, because I think you are, like, fucking miles. Like, holy shit. Whew. Also, the one where dragons only get... Really? I've not seen that one. Which one's that one, Devious? Got quite fat. Damn. Also put a progress pic. Noise. I'll check that out later on, het. I'll check it on after the stream. Another bloody minecart there. Fucking hell. Dude, you have gone on for a bit. Tell you what, do you want... I know you've left these on purpose, but do you want to knock these out and clear out this bottom bit? And then do the same on this side? Obviously, if you want to, don't feel like you have to. I don't want you to feel like I'm forcing you to do anything here. Any help you give is appreciated. Also, how far did... Ooh. I see what you mean by lava lake. I should avoid swimming in it. That's not going to be good for my health. Gladly help. Awesome. Thanks, Max. You don't use bots, right? What, for Minecraft or for what? There's some fire resistant. Ah, okay, neat. Thanks for sharing that. I don't think we'll need it because it's not really in the way. It's just kind of there. Rain of fire. I'm kind of curious now. I might have to go check that one out. What was that? Oh, okay. Yep, no, that's fair. I don't think there are bots in Minecraft. Although, having said that, one thing that I've been wanting to do for ages, but I don't know if I ever will, is I really wanted to try and make an AI to play Minecraft. Like, I wanted to try and use it. This would be quite advanced, but I wanted to try and get into, like, machine learning and stuff like that to try and develop an AI to try and play Minecraft. I thought that would be quite a cool project. Never done it, never gotten around to it, probably never will get around to it, but I think that would be a pretty cool project. I linked the iron bit. Awesome. Thanks, Jeevius. You know what? That is definitely something Code Bullet would do. And I would watch that. That would be a brilliant video. I do love Code Bullet's videos. Not gonna lie, I've not been a fan of the fact of how much he's leaned on ChatGPT for a while. I'm glad the last few videos have started to step away from that a little bit. But, like, overall, I do love his content. He does some amazing videos. I also find it quite amusing how he's being more consistent now a little bit, but for a long time he'd like drop a video and then just disappear for like 8, 12, 14 months before coming back, dropping another video and then disappearing again. Like, that man is the only like content creator I know of who can truly just like drop a video, get millions of views, and then like disappear again. After he returned, I don't like him anymore. I can kind of see that. His content's definitely changed a little bit. I'm not as much a fan of it. Like I said, I wasn't a fan of how much he was leaning on like ChatGPT for a while. Some of it was amusing at start, but then it just got a little like leaning too heavily on it for me personally. Sandstone, that can go in there. His projects take a lot of time. Oh, absolutely. They are not as short. They are not short times. He's also disrespectful to his viewers. Is that in like the jokes and stuff like that, where he's like joking about calling people's names? I think he's doing that as a joke. I'm pretty sure he's doing that as a joke. It's definitely bold. Am I missing stuff here? Oh, no. I need to come back and get that chest. Yeah, I think he's doing that as a joke. No, he's Australian, he's us as human and all that, but I fucking hate it. That is very fair. It's definitely not an easy humor to get along with if it's not. Yeah, let me think about that actually. Yeah, no, think about it, I can definitely see why you don't like it. Like, I kind of like it, but I'm British, and like as you guys have seen, certainly with like folks that I'm familiar with, like me and Tim do it all the time. We take the piss out of each other. We've literally like for a while at university we would greet each other by giving each other the middle finger. So we have somewhat similar like versions of humor. That's not the right word, but you know what I mean. But for us, it's more like people you're familiar with. We wouldn't do that with people we're not as familiar with, like he does in his videos. So yeah, I kind of find it funny, but I can totally get why you wouldn't. It is kind of disrespectful. Um, yeah, I can definitely see that. I can definitely see why. I think that would be more of a culture thing, though. Like, with him being Australian and that's how they do things over there. So, oh, that was a long message. One word. Wanted to ask if you might. Ah, okay, fair. Not for you, Materies. Stop being nosy. I need to take this shit back. I need to set a new waypoint. Delete home. Tunnel, and then set home. Tunnel, and then we'll take this random crap back as well. I'm all for banter and ping pong humor. Yeah, I can definitely see that. Like, there's definitely things he does that I'm not a fan of. Another one is Australia doesn't exist. One of the ones that got me was his did you guys see his not was it Connect 4? No, his Tetris videos. His Tetris videos where he made a bot and went on to like a Tetris community to bot the communities. It's like I wasn't a fan of how he did that. Like I get like that was a little controversial. Don't get me wrong. Like I enjoyed the video, but it's still like you're still kind of ruining other people's fun to make your content. Do you really need to do that? Like, are there not other ways you could have done that? Like, could you not have like reached out to the platform and said, "Look, I want to do this. Can we set up like a script, for example? Can we like create like create a lobby on your platform and we get folks in and we script it like that would have been fine because you can still tell the same story, you can still make the same thing, but you're not actively ruining people's games. Like you're putting it on for the sake of your video, just like telling a story, no different to like soap dramas or whatever. But no, he actually went and ruined people's games, which wasn't so fun of. That was the one where it begun for me. Yeah, I can definitely see that. I wasn't a fan of that either. And then he went on to using ChatGPT for ages as well. So some of his latest stuff I think has been a little bit better. He's like getting a little more back to what he does. In terms of making random crap and doing it himself. Even then, actually, not all of it. Oh no, I will see where he ends up. I will see where he ends up. So his projects take a long time, and I fully like commend him for some of the stuff he does. But yeah, some of it is a little bit not great. That reminds me of a YouTuber I thought for out. He always uploaded exposed videos on RuneScape bots. Oh, that's an interesting one. What are his videos like? How does he expose the RuneScape? Does he like follow accounts or whatever? Don't know. I blocked his channel half a year ago. Oh, okay. I wouldn't go as far as blocking a channel usually. Like, I just stopped watching. I unsubscribe. I stopped watching. Unless like a channel's uploading like active hate or something like that, I tend not to block stuff because it's can't be asked to be honest. Can't be asked. Oh boy. He searched for them, looked how they worked, explained it, and started to break them. Interesting. What do you mean by break them? As in like bot accounts and stuff like that? There's definitely some content creators out there who like when you stop and think about like what they're doing and that, it's like, is that really ethical? Like, is that really something you should be doing type thing? Because there are some of them who, at best, walk the line. Tell you what, here's one that is actually quite controversial. How many folks here have seen a YouTube channel called Jim Browning? And I'm not gonna say what they do yet. I just want to see if anyone in chat has seen that YouTube channel, seen any of their videos. Well, most bots works with set code, like buy this item, then go. Yeah, they're very robotic code, so probably quite easier to see. Not sure. Okay, that's fair. Not seeing anything else in chat. So Jim Browning is he's not a scam beta, but he works with scam betas. Scam betas, for those who aren't aware, are content creators who take scam calls and they waste the scammer's time. So, like, nothing illegal. They're literally like, they're tired of scammers scamming people, so they waste scammers' time. Because the more time scammers spend with the scam betas, that's less time they're spending scamming honest folk. What Jim Browning does is his name is actually an alias. His name's not Jim Browning, because what he does is straight up illegal. He hacks the scammers. He hacks the scammers, and he collects the information of what they're doing. Like, he's hacking to like their surveillance cameras and all sorts, and he hands over all the information he finds to the police. He also will like interrupt scams while they're in process to try and stop them from like scamming people. Oh, I've heard of those kind of people. Hilarious. Oh yeah, so the scam betas get hilarious, like, because they'll put on like old granny voices and like absolutely wind up the scammers and stuff like that. Like, that I don't think there's anything like morally wrong with, because like they're not doing anything illegal, and they're like stopping they're stopping folks from hurting others. That I don't think is much like of a moral debate. Jim's Browning's, however, is more of a moral debate, because he's effectively being a vigilante. He's doing something that is illegal. He's hacking people's computers, which is illegal, and he's taking like recordings of folks without their permission, because he's like using the security cameras and such, which all of that is illegal. But he's using it to try and stop scammers from hurting people. So that's all. That's like the ethical one, and I'm always curious to see where people stand on that one, because there's reasons both for and against it. A lot of reasons both for and against it. I'm also looking at that, and this can make me need to. I think I've seen some thumbnails of that. Yeah, quite possibly. Yeah, it is a tough one. Takes a criminal to catch a criminal. There's a ring of truth to that. Like, if you like, he, as far as I know, actually, I don't actually know, because no one knows who he is. Like, he keeps his identity secret because, as I said, what he does is illegal. But yeah, like, there's a ring of truth to it. You're right, Airhead. So it's always an interesting one. I'm not normally one for vigilanteism, because yeah, like, where do you draw the line is the issue. But in this case, he is doing a lot of good, so I can see the pros and cons for it. It's always an interesting conversation, that one. It's always one I like to have. Anyway, right, I think we can have a quick break. Okay, on that funny note, I think we're going to have a quick break here. So if folks want to grab a drink, go to toilet, anything like that, now is your chance. And we will be back in Minecraft as a horror game. You know what? There's got to be Minecraft horror mods out there. Pardon me, there's got to be Minecraft horror mods. Someone Google it while we go on break. We will be back in a few moments. Folks behind the tree, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome on into the Woodland Rangers. Also, I might have broke the rescue minigame. So good luck rescuing Minnie. Sorry, Minnie. Oh, damn. I put so much work into that as well, and I broke it again. Oh, this is why I've started making designs for our systems, because it's getting so complicated. Ah! Oh boy. Oh well, I'm sure you guys can rescue her. You'll figure it out. You're smart folks. If not, well, Minnie gets a new haircut in the explosive manner. Oh, don't you love random events? Ah, yeah, I know exactly what I've done there as well. I know exactly what I've done. I've been an idiot. I'll fix that later on. Oh, should be a fairly easy fix. It's just going to need some changes to Battle Simulator. Anyway. Oh. What? That other lover? What other? Whoa, 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 whoa. Lovers? This is taking a step up. Where do you get lovers from, Het? Oh, come on. I do not have space for me stone. For me stone. Hey, look, lovers, yeah, hell, sign me up. I would love to have a girlfriend. I have no clue what I'm doing. Send help. No, genuinely, I have no idea. How the fuck do you get into a relationship? How the hell do you find a date? I'm even trying dating apps. It's not working. Help me. Oh, I back bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Nice. Bushy-tailed. Love a good bushy-tail. How are you doing anyway, folks behind? How English? Come on, Materies. How are you doing, folks behind the tree? I hope you have a good week so far. How's your Monday treating you? We had the special one that likes to get kidnapped, right? I mean, Winry was getting caught a lot, yes. What's that got to do with lovers? I failed to see the connection there. Right, okay. Max, I don't know if you're still working on the tunnel. If you are, great. If you're not, no worries. I am going to. Oh wait, we've got a load. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, I thought we were out of oak logs. Ignore me. I'm a fucking moron. She doesn't love to get kidnapped. She's just always in the wrong place at the wrong time. Wrong time, wrong place. What can you say? Digging walls, awesome. Appreciate the help. Oh man. I look forward to when you guys are going to be able to catch Lakea. That's going to be fun. That's mostly up and working as well now. He's just waiting on a few more assets from folks before I turn it on. Doing okay, healing from getting your tongue pierced. Ooh, okay. Nice. We'll have to say it was nice to meet you through Fang. Oh, okay. Yeah, Fang. Finally got to meet Fang at Confuzzled. That was it. I enjoyed hanging out with him. It was a nice chill time we had at the bar then. It was a shame we didn't get to do it again, but Confuzzled was only a few days, and I don't know about him, but I had a lot of folks to meet. I think he did too. It was nice to get to hang out with him for a bit, though. With me while I was there, and sure, you're awesome. Thank you very much, cutie pie. Oh, you are far too kind, Fox. You are far too kind. Everyone was, ooh, damn, level 81. Getting those levels up, Het. Nice one. Everyone was so busy. Oh, absolutely. I think everyone just wants to make the most of like the time they've got there, don't you? Like you've only got what 4 or 5 days, so you want to absolutely make the most of it. So yeah, like I got to meet. Let's see, I got to meet Fang for the first time, which was great. I met Azra for the first time, which was great. I'd already met Seth before, but like it was great seeing them again, hanging out. Seth and Chow. Minnie Mouse, already knew her, but like it was great to hang out with her for a bit. Who else did I get to meet? Marade. Like I was talking about them a lot the other stream, but like meeting them was great. Yeah, like honestly, it was my first time at Confuzzled, and I absolutely want to go again. Like I left there not really wanting to go home, but it was like, well, con's over. Like no point in staying. Also, my bank account's kind of crying right now, so going home is the best option. You're trying to go next year? Awesome. If you do go and you see me, absolutely come and say hi. Love to meet folks. Best of luck with going. Have you been before, Fox? Or would it be your first year? We don't like to leave the fantasy world. Oh, hell no. Thing is, when you go to a con like that, you get to escape the real world for a bit. Like, a lot of folks are furries because they get to escape the real world for a bit, and this is absolutely true. And when you leave, like, you're going home, like, you're walking away from, well, you're not walking away from friends, but you know what I mean. You know, like, you know it's going to be a while before you get to see him again and stuff like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count. Can I count? I can count. Good, because I failed A-level maths. But yeah, like absolutely whale of a time. First year, getting my passport just to go there and hang out with Fang. Oh, absolute. Fang is great. Like I said, I really enjoyed just hanging out with him. We've just sat in the back. We'll talk about saunas and like our background stories and like where we want to go. Like I'm not gonna talk about what he's doing with his sauna because I don't know like how public it is, but he's got some really cool ideas for his sauna. Like, I would absolutely love to just hang out with the dude again. In fact, I need to throw him a message, see if he wants to do another collab at some point. But yeah, absolutely. Some amazing folks there. I would definitely recommend it. If it's going to be your first time, I think the main thing I would recommend, as it was like my first time last time, kind of plan out what you want to do beforehand. You don't necessarily need to go with like a full timetable, say I'm doing this at that and that and that and that, but just like put together a few notes of like what panels you want to see, what events you want to go to, who you want to go see. You can always change it while you're there, but having a plan in mind makes it a little bit easier. So, like, that's definitely something I found. My own next con will be 6th of July. Nice. Which con is that at? I know a lot of people here are going to Faircation. I would love to go to Faircation. Maybe next year. Not this year. I cannot afford it. I also didn't know it was a thing till just after Confuzzled. But it's like, my bank account will actually cry if I... Why am I digging this? I'm meant to be putting logs... Materies, pay attention, you fucking muppet. Fucking muppet. Oh, boy. Applies to go where Fang goes. Oh, Fang's gonna have like a dawning crowd following him around. To be fair, it is nice to have like a group of friends to hang out with. That will definitely make it easier. I had a couple of points where I was a little bit lost because like I was kind of in between groups, not having gone with like a group of folks or anything. But yeah, so I can see why you'd want to do that. Tomocom, pretty small anime con. Hey, dude, so nothing wrong with smaller ones, and if you're gonna enjoy it, that's the main thing. Hope you have a wonderful time, dude. Sometimes the smaller ones are a little bit nicer, like they feel a little more personal. Like you got that little more like personal touch kind of thing. It's a little harder for bigger cons to do that. Like in that sense, it's not much different to streamers. You really, dude. I kind of forgot you were here, Max. Holy shit. I mean, do you all do the same on this side? You don't have to, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. For me, it's always mostly the same. First 2 hours, I'm in the dealer and not the other 6. Yeah, that's fair. It did take me a while to get to the dealer's den at Confuzzled. It was a long queue. And I wasn't willing to wait for like an hour, so I waited for it to get a bit shorter. Hey, Rutov, how you doing? Good to see you. Hope you're keeping well. A little bit different. I've got a texture pack on, so that might be why it looks a little bit different. I got a texture pack. We can change it up. I could, if folks want to see a really fancy one, tell you what, give me a second. We're not going to keep this one on, but if I get rid of these for a moment, some folks are going to know what I'm doing already. Give that a second to reset. How's your week treating you anyway, Rutov? I hope you're doing well. Feel really bad that Minnie's about to get blown up. Sorry, Minnie. She'll be fine. Right, with that on, now if I go to, where am I going? Shaders. I want that one. This is when Minecraft starts to look good, and I mean really fucking good. Just give it a minute. And I apologize ahead of time if the frame rate gets a little bit low. Furries are indestructible. Hell yeah! Come at me! Alright, let's see. How does it look now? Like, holy shit. Oh, hi, Max. Like, how does this look? Holy fuck. What's our frame rate? Oh, wow, it's actually above 60. I'm kind of surprised. This is insane. Furries don't die, they respawn. Hell yeah! You know what? I think I like that even more. But look at this lighting. Like, this is nuts. This is actually nuts. Like, the reason... I know, it's crazy, isn't it, Max? I would love to run with this full... Oh, that's brilliant. Hey, Torch, how you doing? Welcome on in. I hope you're doing well. It's funny that Torch is coming right now, because Torch is actually the one who linked me the shaders and this texture pack and that, and it's honestly absolutely beautiful. If I had my computer, yeah, like, I don't run this all the time, because there are areas where my frame rate still lags with this texture pack. I've got a pretty solid PC and it still lags a bit with like this shader and texture pack in certain locations, but it looks so good. It looks so good. Holy shit. I didn't realize the redstone blocks looked like that. They look almost like gold. Nice. I feel bad because Max is working while I'm still doing this. But hi, how you doing, Torch? I hope you're doing well. Hope the week's treating you well. You know what? Fuck it. Let's rock it for a bit. Let's rock it for a bit. Hell yeah, look at that. Do I need to... Oh, actually, I've just noticed it's actually a little bit harder to see where the blocks start and that. Which is kind of cool for, like... See... Oh, bleed hell, look at that. I didn't realize it did that. That's going to annoy me, so... Oh, wait, no, I need them on my... Okay. We'll just put them further away. I have an RTX 4070. Yeah, that makes sense. I've got an RTX 3070, so a little... The generation down from what you've got. You've got the same as what Tim has. And yeah, it struggles a bit in some places still. I can see why. It's the ray tracing. The ray tracing, while it looks beautiful, really does absolutely eat at your system resources. But the texture pack itself is also pretty nuts. I think Tim was rocking just the texture pack for a while. He had the shader turned off, but was rocking the texture pack. Honestly, can't blame him. It looks amazing. Lakea, stop blaming others. Look, she's doing her job. Leave Lakea alone, eh? Oh, shit. Well, bye, Minnie Mouse. I'll see you when you respawn. Oh, well, that's what she gets for making me late to my stream. Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally going to blame Minnie Mouse and not the fact that I have poor time management. Which can probably be said for both of us, to be fair, but oh well. I am going to have to go get more oak logs soon. Yeah, I do kind of upgrade my PC at some point, but not happening for a while. my next thing is actually, like, our new Ko-Fi goal is building a NAS. We do have, like, more emotes on the way. SethWuffer has kindly agreed to make us more emotes. And in the meantime, our new Ko-Fi goal is a NAS, because I really need a NAS for all my video stuff. It's specifically over water. I mean, when we were building in a lake, yeah, I can believe that. Because in water, you've got more reflections than that, and you've got to calculate not just your reflections, but also your refractions. So suddenly, the amount of calculations you've got to do, even for a single ray, is so much more. Like, it's insane. But the water does look amazing. In fact, you know what? So that folks can see. Oh, no, not Homer. This isn't The Simpsons. Back here a minute, Max. While I was AFK, I had about 27 to 30 FPS. Damn, I can believe it. Like, look at this. But you can see I am now lagging. And this is why I don't use it full time. Because I will see 60 plus FPS. I don't like... I can play at 15. I'd rather not play at 15. Like, our stream is at a smooth 60. Oh, bleeding hell. This is really struggling. But yeah, look at this. Look at the water. Yeah, what's up, Het? What my home area would look like with those graphics? I mean, we can go take a look at some point if you want, Max. If you let us know when you've finished your building, Max, we'll take a look. I've said I would love to do montage videos with this, like, texture pack and that. But honestly, I just don't think my PC can do it. Like, look at just how beautiful it is. Like, seriously, look at that water. Like, holy fuck, it's insane. Yeah, the stream's only for us, for you. Is the stream running for everyone else? Yes, sir. I think the stream's still... Yep. It's just on your end, Het, I'm afraid. Right, okay. Right. I am going to go back inside my house. I'm going to sleep. And then we're going to, then we're going to change our texture pack. Because as nice as this is, we're going to get rid of this shade and it's fucking laggy. Like, but look at how beautiful, look how good that looks. Like, holy fuck. Oh, man. Okay, that's enough gushing over that. Let's get rid of the shader first, because that's the bit that's really lagging us. Oh. And then we'll go back to the other texture pack we're using. To be fair, I still really like Sphax. Is it Sphax or is it? No, it's something else now. Yeah, Pure BD Craft. I forgot they changed the name. Like, I still really like this stuff. This is still really solid. With like the connective textures and the 3D blocks, I think it's still a pretty solid texture pack. Come on, load up. Oh, that SATA SSD really slowing me down. Right, okay, there we go. Oh, we're still lagging, eh? Hey, come on, you... Why are you lagging? Okay, that's annoying. You... What? Why? What? Why is this suddenly lagging? Hang on. Huh. Don't know why that's, being laggy. I don't like that. Hang on. Let's, leave the server and jump back on. Getting my new 7900 GRE. Ooh, hell yeah! Nice! You're doing a rig upgrade, Jeevious. That's going to be a solid performance uplift. Nice. No, it's still that lag. Why? Why am I suddenly laggy? I've not still got the, I should not be lagging in Minecraft with this. No, that's off. I thought it was. Okay, well, that's really frustrating. I don't know why that's lagging. Shitty Gigabyte 6900 XT. Yeah, no, I can get that. What's the performance difference between the 7900 and 6900? Because I am not as familiar with where am I going? Tunnel. Yeah, I'm not as familiar with AMD's GPU offerings as I am with Nvidia's, unfortunately. Still lagging. We'll just have to carry on and hope it stabilizes. Oh, it has a... Oh, no, that sucks. Yeah, if your VRAM isn't performing up to scratch, that's definitely gonna suck. Damn, yeah, time for a new GPU, dude. Enjoy. Hey, 15% is a solid uplift. Why are we still lagging? Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna restart my game, because it's, my game is not happy. I should not be getting that kind of frame rate. And while that's restarting, I'm just gonna reset Lakea's terminal, because she's not happy from earlier. Oh, really? You doing that now? There you go. So, where's my Minecraft launcher? Oi, Minecraft! Give me feckin' launcher! Oh, what a pain in the ass. Oh, boy. The GRE is on par... Oh, damn! 4070 Super, that's a hell... Yeah, that's gonna be an ace card then. Like, if it's on par with the 4070 Super for gaming performance, that's gonna be beautiful. What CPU have you got paired with it? Out of curiosity. Not as good in ray tracing. This is the thing with AMD's graphics cards and why I'm still on Nvidia, even though I hate the way that Nvidia do their business. Like AMD, like in terms of raw gaming performance, can match Nvidia. They really can. So like, and because their cards are cheaper, they're much better value when it comes to raw gaming performance. But their other features just aren't as mature. They're not as good at ray tracing. They're not as good at video recording and stuff like that. They haven't had the time to mature their technology as much as Nvidia have. So they're just not quite there, which is why I'm still using Nvidia stuff, so that I can use things like the NVANC encoder and things like that. Unfortunately, if you're streaming and stuff, that's just the way you gotta go. I don't give a flying fuck. Honestly, 12700K, nice CPU, solid choice. No, but that's very fair, Julius. If you don't care about things like ray tracing and you're just looking at gaming, I would encourage getting AMD. AMD graphics cards. Like I'm not as familiar with them, but I recommend them because they're better value. They're just better value. They really are. You've got 100K channel. Holy shit, Tusk! I don't think anyone's ever had that many. Holy fuck! I often think RT looks worse than Rastered. Like, ooh, that's an interesting. Oh shit, there we go. Yeah, my frame rate sorted itself now, thanks, Max. I don't know what the issue was. I think it just didn't turn over properly while I've changed texture packs. Yeah, I'm interested in the say that, viewers. I often think that RT does look better. It's just that for me personally, I don't think it looks good enough to warrant the performance drop. I'm not fussed if I don't get 300. Ooh. What was that? Fucking hell. Anyway, yeah. What was it? Whoa, what the? You've got... Oh, that's fucking brilliant. Also, welcome in, Toskin. Sorry, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Oh, that's brilliant, Max. Holy shit. You startled me with that thing. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice bit of loot there. Oh, man. Yeah, personally, I think RT does look really good. It's when it's done properly, anyway. It's just that, yeah, I don't want to I don't think having RT on is worth it myself if I'm playing at 20 FPS. I would rather play it in rasterized lighting at like 120 FPS than RT at 20. Also, AMD is way better on Linux. Really? Huh. Oh, yeah, because NVIDIA are fucking awful when it comes to Linux, aren't they? They really are fucking awful. Oh, damn. Screen is Toscan? Yeah, reload the stream, Toscan. You're not the only one. Head was having issues earlier as well. I wonder if Twitch is just having a minor freak out. But yeah, no, I can definitely see that. Yeah, there's definitely advantages with going AMD. Like AMD, like people should not like ignore what they offer because AMD do offer some amazing stuff. Like I said, on raw gaming performance, they match Nvidia. It's just their other technologies, and as you say, on certain platforms like Linux, they run better because Nvidia are fucking assholes and won't support Linux properly. I think I've heard that they're meant to be pardon me. I've heard they're meant to be getting better, but whether they actually are or not, well, remains to be seen. Look down the tunnel. Which way did you go? Yeah, go on then. What do you want me to look at? He's gonna come whizzing down on a minecart, isn't he? Oh, fuck. Fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. That was a hell of an entrance. Oh, that was a thing of fucking beauty, Max. I don't blame you. Absolutely. Hell yeah. Yours freezes all the time as well, does it? It's back for Het. It's been like that for a week or so. Huh. Let me check my OBS. I've not got many skipped frames or anything. Yeah, I don't think that's anything on my end. Maybe it's I wonder if it's something for Twitch. Maybe it won't be my encoder. My encoder's not changed. More fucking RAM. They own Nvidia for on higher res because they generally get. Yeah, that is true. And that's kind of annoying though because it's not that Nvidia can't put the RAM in. They've shown they can. They just won't. What like they just won't put the higher VRAM in. Like why? You are literally like handicapping your own cards. So yeah, like that is very true. AMD do often work better at high reses. Forgot about that little detail. For some reason, my home flight reminded me. Holy shit! Yes. Oh man, you are now the Roadrunner, Max. That's fucking beautiful. Honestly, the Roadrunner is a beautiful Looney Tune to like be a part of. I keep doing this. Like, fuck. Pay attention, Materies. It's not UMC, it's Twitch. Okay. I'll have a bit of a review of my settings later on just to confirm that. But yeah, I've got a feeling it is Twitch. Which is a little bit annoying. Little bit annoying. Just wanted to pop in and say hello. Going to try the demo. Ooh, for living and rip my hair out. On the puzzles. Best of luck, dude. Thank you very much for dropping by. It's good to see you, dude. Enjoy your game. I still need to buy Cat Quest 2. I just reload it, then it returns. Okay. Yeah, it definitely suggests that it's a Twitch issue. Like I said, I'm not seeing anything in my OBS stats that suggest it's me. I'll review it all later on, but I guess it's something with Twitch. Come on, Twitch, pull your fingers out your ass. No need, it happens over streamers as well. Okay, well, that really does confirm it then. Definitely something up with Twitch then. That's a bit annoying. You're on mobile. Torskin isn't on mobile, so that means it's most likely something across the platform as well, which really sucks. There we go. Finish me cuppa. Finish me cuppa. I've counted that right, yeah? Yeah, I have counted that right. Awesome. Oh boy, yeah. I do like AMD stuff. I would never call myself a fanboy. I am a pretty strong believer that you shouldn't be a fanboy of any company when it comes to tech, but I do like the stuff that AMD puts out. AMD has some really good stuff, and also like the CPUs. For me personally, I really focus on I really like what AMD is doing with the CPUs because I mean, we don't have a whole lot of options with not that we have a lot of options when it comes to graphics cards either. But Intel are making some real cookers. Like at the moment, a lot of the Intel CPUs run really hot. So it's like it's not that they're bad performance. They've just run hotter than what I personally am comfortable with. And Intel have had this thing for a while. So whereas AMD are a little more efficient. And it's like for me personally, I don't mind like losing a little bit of performance if it means it runs cooler. But they're kind of not. Like I think that they really are keep up with Intel while being more efficient. For me, it happens when the app is out of focus for a while. Interesting. Okay. Is that definitely Twitch then? Or is that something in Windows trying to go into like power saving mode or something? Like, not. Oh, I've not got enough wood. I need to get more wood. Not to like save Twitch's ass there, but I also don't particularly trust Microsoft either. Don't be a fanboy. Yeah, absolutely. I think we had this conversation before. Like, Max, didn't you say your dad worked at Intel? Because I think we vaguely had this conversation at one point. Look down the tunnel again. Come on, come at me. Come at me. Come at me. Oh, where's he coming? Where's he coming? Where's he coming? Is he coming? Fucking beautiful. Oh, don't change, Max. That was fucking beautiful. Oh boy, don't be a fanboy right now, AMD. Yeah, absolutely. Like, I will be honest. I have a hard time recommending Intel stuff at the moment because like I think AMD's have better CPU for the most part. But when it comes to GPUs, unfortunately, as I said, there are reasons for why you might want to go NVIDIA like I have. So I like on that one, when it comes to me recommending stuff to folks, it more depends on what it is you're looking for. I will build a few sections and I'll use up this lot. Hey, the King of Dogs, welcome on in. How you doing, dude? Hope you're keeping well. Buy what's best for you and ignore the brand? Absolutely. Well, okay, I wouldn't say ignore the brand because you would like this more goes for like other components, like motherboards and stuff like that, or power supplies. You wouldn't want to get like a no-name brand, but certainly like so long as you're getting from a known brand in most cases, you're absolutely fine. Get what works for you. Like yeah, I barring that caveat, I would completely agree with what Jeevius just said. Get what works for you. Oh, how are you doing, King of Gods? Good, awesome. I'm not bad, thank you. Just chilling, playing a bit of Minecraft, talking about tech and such. Having our rants about various things as usual. Very much considering getting an Intel GPU. Honestly, I want to see Intel's GPUs. I am genuinely excited for that. Partly because more competition is good for the consumer, and it's nice to have like another company in there. But also because like they're not going to be trading blows for like the top tier GPUs for a while, simply because they're not mature enough. AMD and Nvidia have been doing it for way longer. Intel aren't going to be able to match that anytime soon. But I think Intel could, if like they get on with it, potentially do quite well for budget GPUs. And I'm excited to see how they get on with it in the future. So yeah, I'm excited to see how Intel get on with that. I really do hope they do well there. Keep away from Asus and Gigabyte, in my humble opinion. Asus, yeah, are a bit hit and miss. Some of their stuff's good, but some of it's also a bit crap. Gigabyte, 100% agree. Like, Gigabyte, I'm sorry, but after the whole exploding power supply incidents, I can't recommend when it comes to like helping other people build PCs and stuff like that again. I cannot recommend any of Gigabyte's products personally. Because if you're going to sell a product where that many of your products are literally blowing up, I'm sorry, that is no, absolutely not. I cannot like in good I've forgotten what the word is, but yeah, I just cannot recommend that myself. Asus has been pulling some serious heinous shit lately. Oh, what have they been doing? I've not kept up with stuff of late. Like I only recently started looking at stuff again after I posted that stuff. I posted about the new Ryzen stuff in the Discord because I stopped looking for a while just because I had other things to get into. But I didn't even see you there. I thought I heard something. I thought that was just my imagination. Oh, I'm being trolled by Max here. You know what? I think I deserve that. The amount the dudes helped me out. What have they been doing then, Jeevious? Because if they are doing some really shitty stuff, then yeah, that is going to like turn them down, in my opinion. It's not like there aren't plenty of other like not providers, but you know what I mean. Had to try out the minecart? No worries, dude. Enjoy. What's it like when you do the full run? You say, give the full run a go. See what you think. Grab a bit more stone. Just trying to get people to pay for repairs with it. Really? Really, Asus? Fuck's sake. Absolute assholes. 18 warranty. Just honor your fucking warranty. The shit some companies put is absolutely atrocious. Well, that's kind of like as usual. I would want to look into it before like committing to anything. But if that's how they're going to behave, they're kind of losing me as a customer. Not interested. Just trying to get. Oh, I've already read that. Oh, yeah. If you want stuff in here, Max, feel free to take anything. This is just random gunk. So I need to take a lot of it back upstairs. But if you want any of it, feel free to take it. Do you want a new pickaxe, by the way, or are you kind of done? To be fair, we've made a lot of progress. Like, we were over near the corner originally, and we've got quite long. We've gone quite far. Nice. Appreciate all your help, dude. Yeah, go ahead if you want to place some stone bricks. Just make sure that you knock out these bottom bits when you do, but go ahead. Like hang on, give me a sec. In fact, that actually works for me because it means if you're placing the stone bricks, I can start sorting stuff out. Just grab as much stone as you want, and I can start sorting out these other bits. Like your Asus GPU had a tiny nick on the backplate, then you receive an email saying that they will return the product disassembled and that you have 3. What? Whoa. Hang on. You receive. They will return the product disassembled. What? What do you mean return it disassembled? What are most folks gonna do with disassembled GPU? Most folks are why? Why would you take it apart and send it back in pieces? What? That is some absolute grade A bullshit. Fucking hell. And then when pressed, okay, sure. So basically, if you're going to kick up a stink, then they will do what they are legally required. But if they can get away with it, they're not going to do their job. Wow. That is absolutely disgusting behaviour. Oh, that's the wrong chest. Again, some companies are just ridiculous. Like, beyond ridiculous. May have forgotten a maze somewhere in there. Hey, Materies, please don't stop for I'm almost done. I would love to show you. Alright, yeah, fair. Can come take a look. How much longer do you reckon you need, Het? Because I don't plan on streaming for too much longer, but if you're not too far off, we can come take a look afterwards. End the stream on that. May return. Okay, may return it disassembled. Honestly, I still don't think that's right, though. Even if it's a May, like, why? Most folks aren't going to be able to put it back together. And even those of us who can, we're not going to want to. If I send my GPU in to get fixed, I don't expect it to come back in pieces so that I have to put it back together. Like, I'm sorry, that's disgusting. I would absolutely be kicking up a stink. Just because I can put it back together doesn't mean that I should have to when I've sent it to you for fixing. Like, come on. Oh boy, jumping slash attack. Ah! Being attacked. Alright then, Wolf Warrior, come at me! There's also the whole exploded CPU debacle. I've not heard of this one, Jeevious. Do tell. Max 20 minutes? Ooh, we'll see, Het. I make no promises. I make no promises. Let's see. So, we'll move this lot up. We'll empty that chest. And then we're going to need more oak logs. Oh, man. They will only return disassembled if you don't pay for it. But it's under warranty. I'm sorry, but that is disgusting. I should point out one of the reasons that I'm like even more on heckles than normal about this is because I've been having a nightmare with Virgin Media. So my tolerance for companies' bullshit right now is really quite low at the moment. Really quite low. Ah, ambush hug! Dang it, Wolf Warrior! But yeah, like I said, my tolerance for bullshit from companies is at an all-time low right now. Given like my deal with Virgin Media, I'm having a fight with them because they want to charge me for like another 2-3 months, another 2 months of internet when I've told them I want my account closing. And they're like, oh, don't worry, you'll get some of it back. What do you mean I'll get some of it back? Why am I paying it in the first place? Fucking ridiculous. Hang on, let me just sort out my home. And set home. So, yeah, that's not helped my opinion of Asus then. What about the neck in the back? You must... Well, yeah, presumably, like, if you're sending it in. Personally, I'm not going to be too fussed about a nick in the back plate. I'll be a bit annoyed, but it's like, it's not the end of the world. I deal with it, but that's me personally. Having said that, if I've sent it in for repairs and there's a nick in the back plate, I expect that to be fixed. It's like, no, it's in there. That should be fixed. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so in that case, it's a case of, right, I've sent it in for faulty RAM, and there's also a nick in the backplate. So I would send it in, I'd say, look, it's got an issue, and there's also a nick in the backplate, can you fix that at the same time? You'd expect both to be done. Are you telling me they'd only fix the faulty RAM? Fucking hell, this company, eh? Again, fucking disgusting. But you make the name. If I what? It's in warranty. It's in fucking warranty. You serious? Fucking hell. Hey, Vanguard, thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, dude. I hope you had an amazing stream. Welcome on in, raiders. I'm Materies Coil, Wolf Ranger and Variety Streamer, and we're doing a bit of Minecraft and chilling on stream today. Vanguard, if you want to take a break, go for a drink, put your feet up, everything like that, absolutely feel free. Thank you for trusting me with your community. Same with the Raiders. If you want to go grab a drink or anything because you've been chilling with Vanguard, absolutely feel free. In the meantime, feel free to hang around. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. Yeah, I should reset Lakea because she's double messaging again, but we're near, like, can't be bothered at this point. I don't want people to lose the boss battle progress, so I'll deal with it later on. I still don't know what the issue is. I thought I had an idea, but I'm not sure anymore. It's a bloody nightmare, that. Right, what was I doing? Ah, yes, we need wood. Wood, 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 wood. We need plenty of wood. Woo! Yes, how are you doing, Vanguard? I hope you are doing wonderfully. Let's get a howl in here, shall we? Let's get some howls going. How was your stream? What were you streaming? Also, me and you still need to talk collab at some point if you're still interested in that. No worries. If not, though, dude, I also know we're both incredibly busy people, so it's a bit of a nightmare to try and pin us down sometimes. Where the fuck did my saplings go? Did I burn all my I burnt all my I'm a fucking idiot. Materies, you utter non... no, not nonsense. Fuck all. I'm tired. Leave me alone. All good, Tart. Made a bit more progress in the Golden Sun. Ooh, awesome. I am not familiar with that game. Ooh, do tell me more. Or not if you all go take a break. That's also absolutely fine. But I'm curious. Glad to hear it's going well. I'm so game for that. Awesome. Honestly, I love collabing with people, and I would absolutely love to have you on because genuinely, like the stuff that you're doing, I would love to be able to like help you spread more. I'd love to be able to do a stream of it. For those who don't know, Vanguard, are you okay with me sharing what you do, Vanguard? Just to check. Little JRPG on Game Boy Advance. Ooh, neat. Okay, I didn't realize. Oh, hang on, wait. Nintendo. Duh, of course there's gonna be JRPGs on Game Boy. I'm a fucking idiot sometimes. Sure thing, awesome. So, for those who don't know, Vanguard the Husky is doing their PhD on the furry fandom and whether it is a safe space or not. And I have been to some of his talks, so like Confuzzled and that, and genuinely some amazing talks there, and some amazing points that have definitely got like me thinking about like my thoughts and stuff like that on not just the furry fandom itself, but also like what constitutes as a safe space and stuff like that. So absolutely go and check them out. Did Lakea actually give you a shout out or did she not? Lakea's being a little bit funky at the moment, so I'll give you a manual shout out myself if I can remember how to like type on a keyboard. Vanguard the Husky. Husky. How are you feeling after Confuzzled, dude? Do you feel a little bit better? I'll admit, I'm still a little bit coffee and my throat is still a little bit ticklish. No worries. Thank you very much for the raid in and thank you for trusting me with your community, dude. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I have so many collabs and so much cool stuff I want to do and not enough time to do it. Not enough time to do it. I've got to fix the bloody stream games as well. A little bit annoyed that I overlooked something with the streamer rescue minigame. That's not even like a bug in the code. That's me doing a bad design. That's on me. I can fix that later on, but I'm still annoying. Exhausted, but I have recovered. Awesome. Good to hear, dude. Glad to hear it. So many people have really struggled after Confuzzled. Like, it's been a nightmare. Right, BRB, take a little break. So we'll look. No worries. Thank you very much for the look. Take care of yourself, Vanguard. My brain's now turning to mush. I think this is probably the longest I've Minecraft brain. Dude! Don't knacky yourself. Honestly, like, thank you so much for all your help, but don't do yourself in, dude. If you want to take a break or do something else, absolutely feel free. I appreciate you helping me out all you have, dude. Dude, I should really find a different word other than dude. But I also shouldn't call my Twitch chat like prats or anything, which is like the thing I usually say when I'm like, what's the word? I don't even. Oh, fucking hell, English. Too late, Wolf Warrior. Vanguard's got stuff to do. He's been streaming, dude. He wants to go take a break. I can't blame him. Streaming is knackering. It's knackering. Most of it, like, I remember seeing a video a while back, and this has definitely changed, like, the way I think of handling, like, people raiding in. Like, when people raid in, they've been streaming for however long, and they're tired. They've got to go do something else. So, like, they're usually going to say, like, hi, chat for a bit, and then go for a bit, which is completely fair because they've been streaming. And, like, it was this streamer going off a bit of a rant saying, look, talk to the community. Like, this streamer's raided someone. They've brought the community over. Talk to the community. It's like, actually, this guy's got making some really good points. Also, that skeleton is really pissing me off. I should go sleep. Also, what did Max say? I have a little breathing pause. Aye, good shout. You know what? I can't be asked to kill you guys. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, fucking hell. Get out of here. Back off. Right, were you actually... Why are you in your underwear? Dude, did you die in your... I don't know. Alright. Go, raid, get rid. Fuck off! Seriously, get lost. There we go. Right, egg? I don't need an egg. Get out of here. I ain't no farmer. I'm the Wolf Bloody Ranger. Right. Oh, fuck off. Fat fingering all my keys now. Sorry, stopping to grab a mouthful of water. Whew. Right, okay, back to getting wood. Back to getting wood. Give me wood. I need wood. Wood needed, me lord. I don't know how many people actually get that reference, which is a little bit sad, but hey ho. Wood needed, me lord. Oh, will you fuck off? Oh, okay, no. You are my main fort. Right, there we go. That's you gone. You feck off as well. Right. Numbskull. Right, back to gathering wood. Back to gathering wood. I think that's... Oh, dude, really? Well, I guess someone had to say it. Oh, now what? Why are there still so many of you? Fuck off. Thank you. I'm turning into a bloody pincushion. Hydrated and back. Awesome. Thanks, Max. If you want to take a break from the tunnel, you can come help me collect wood. Again, don't feel like you have to, but you're more than welcome to. We're needing to stock up on oak logs and such. Beep, 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 beep. Just make sure you plant the saplings after. Hello, grim boy. Just getting tunnel vision. I think I'll TP you. It'll take you a while to walk across the length of that tunnel. What am I doing? That one. To me. There you go, buddy. There you go. There you go. And there's some saplings. Make sure you replant the trees afterwards. We're just looking for oak log at the moment. Find sapling tremendous. Fucking hell. Oh, dude. Oh, man. It's definitely... Don't hit the bees. Why would I want to hit the bees, eh? Look at that cute little face. Look at that cute little face. Yeah. Oh, I hear a not so cute little face somewhere. The groan of a zomble. Where the fuck's the zomble? Okay. It's definitely a hell of a lot easier with this tree felling plugin. Like, I prefer, like, we wanted to do vanilla Minecraft, but there are a few plugins we've got that just make life so much easier. And this tree felling is absolutely one of them. A fucking hell, Wolf Warrior. Oh, boy. Anyone need apples? I've got, like, multiple stacks of apples. I'm not using them. Oh, hello. Get out of here, Grumble. Grumble Zumble. Hey, Bladed, welcome on in, dude. Thank you so much for the 15 stream streak. How are you doing? I hope you have a great Monday. What is... Hey? Hey? Okay, tree felling mod has suddenly decided it doesn't want to work. Oh, it's one of those oh, fuck. How you doing anyway, Bladed? I hope you're having a great Monday. I don't know if I've already asked you that, but sod it. I'm asking again. Oh, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, still gotta get a load more wood. Hold up, all rightish. Newly committed to a holdfast regimen. Ooh, take up some of my evenings. Nice. That's the game you were playing with Prof and that the other night, wasn't it? Oh, it looks like a good bit of fun, to be fair. It looks like a daft bit of fun. I'm glad to hear you're enjoying it. Hope it's going well. I got someone to sing his shanty. Holy shit, yes. Hell yeah. Oh, we don't have a dice roll command. But that would be kind of cool to have. The folks want to see a dice roll command. Is that something folks would like to see? We can build that in pretty easy. I can make a Python script for that pretty easily. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be kind of cool. Or rather, I started the shanty and 2 or 3 people joined me. It got me the medal. Oh, hell yeah. Singing a sea shanty? That's absolutely worth getting a medal. Hell yeah. Morale booster. Hey, morale is often undervalued when it comes to these things. So absolutely hell yeah. Honestly, they make so the best moments in gaming, don't they? Dice roll could be nifty if in issues. It would be a little bit niche, but it's one of those things where it wouldn't really it can just sit there because it doesn't affect any of the other systems. It can just sit there. People only use it once they're blue moon. Only gets used once they're blue moon. It's not like the channel redeems or anything where we're limited to a number of channel redeems. We can have as many commands as we want. Beep, beep, beep. Way and up she rises, way and up she rises. Drunken sailor, early in the morning. I only know 2 and they're both from Assassin's Creed Black Flag. To be fair, I don't know many. I used to know a lot of verses to Drunken Sailor. I don't know many of that anymore. Wellerman. God, do I remember Wellerman? I did know Wellerman. Whether I still do or not, I don't know. Probably not, to be honest. Hey, Princess Asher, welcome on in. How are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Okay, ready for the wall of text? Oh boy. Go on, hit me, Jeevious. Hit me. How are you doing anyway, Asher? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Let's see. I can't stop with the shanties while playing a nice round of Sea of Thieves. Oh yeah, but Sea of Thieves is the perfect game for shanties. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and bun. Aye, that's it. That's it. Oh, Cole, give me a second. This is a lot to read. How you doing? Good. How are you? Awesome. Glad to hear. I'm doing well, thank you. We're just kind of hanging out, playing a bit of Minecraft, joking around with folks. I hope you have a good week. Some of my stuff's broken for the stream, so I've got to fix that later on, but I doing well bar than that. Anyway, let me have a quick look at Genius's message. One thing straight first, if you as a user makes a nick in the backplate of the GPU, that nick cannot be fixed within warranty. If you want to get that fixed, it'll cock standard warranty stuff. Okay, so what is the stuff is when you send in something for repair, for example a GPU with faulty RAM, they'll go over the card and find every teeny little thing that could be caused by the user and want to repair and send you an invoice. Okay, in theory that is fine. While you have the card, you may put the teeny nick in the backplate fixed. Where they do is absolutely awful. Send you an invoice for the extra out of warranty repairs. Really? Whoa. Why would you get your product back this? Oh, whoa. Okay, so I see where you're coming from now, Devious. What? Then they'll go on and hold the card until you've paid. Really? That is absolutely disgusting. Okay, I see what you're getting at now earlier, Devious, and yeah, that is absolutely. So basically, if there's anything else wrong with your card outside what is in your warranty, they'll try and force you to pay it, and if not, they'll hold your card ransom, effectively, or send it back to you in pieces. Yeah, no, nope, not a fan of that, do not like it. Minecraft, never played it? Ooh, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I'll be honest, I've been getting big back into Minecraft. I played it lots as a teenager, and I stopped playing it for a while, and now I'm playing, like, we've got our own little community Minecraft server, so if you want to join, I know you said you've never played before, but you're more than welcome to join, Princess Asha. Everyone in the Discord is welcome to join the server. I've also been playing with Minnie Mouse, though that's modded. She's been running a little SMP that I've been doing videos on. That's been fun. Do you play many games, Asher? What kind of games do you play out of interest if you do? The king's men stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her bones. I don't recognize that one, Wolf Warrior. What sea shanty is that one? Yeah, blackmail. Yeah, that is what that is. It's blackmail. That is literally blackmail, and on such a short time frame as well. 3 days to turn it around. Like, folks might, what if folks are busy or just don't have the money in that moment because you sent it in for warranty. You might not have the money to pay for those fixes. You've sent it in because it's under warranty and you didn't think you'd have to pay anything. Yeah, that is absolutely disgusting. Fucking hell. I don't own a computer that's fair, no worries. I have Nintendo and PS5. Ooh, nice. I've never had many games consoles. What do I have at the moment? I still have a working Mega Drive, which is nuts. I haven't got that thing out since I've moved in here. I need to get it out at some point. I had a PS3 for a while, but I ended up giving that to Seth. Sold that to Seth. Yeah, I've kind of always been more PC. Each to their own, though. Different folks like different things. Mostly like Zelda games are solid. So, like Zelda has some honest, great games. Rune Factory, Harvest Moon, Animal Crossing, Stardew. They're quite. You like your cozy games, don't you? There's some nice cozy games there. Nice one. Was it Animal Crossing that got you watching Liminal Gender out of interest? I'm just curious, being nosy now. Oh, I like how I say cozy games and now I see Helldivers right at the end there. Oh, cozy games calls missile down on his own head. Well, I'm more talking about myself there. Oh, you found it through Sleepy Riri. Ah, fair, okay. I don't get to see Sleepy Riri. I've not seen any of Sleepy Riri stuff, and I've not seen much of like Donna Pants or anything. I've said I'd love to try and watch their content at some point. Unfortunately, because of like the time zones, it's really difficult because I'm in the UK and they're in like the US. So with like a 6 or 7 time hour difference, makes it a little more difficult. No worries. Dude, you don't have to. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. I thought you meant you were off then for a moment. No, you faced the thing. All right, give me a few minutes here and we'll come take a look. Alright, give me a second. It's from Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, it's the start song. Oh, okay. There, yeah, I was not gonna get that off the top of my head. Donna Pants is the other one I watched. Aye, yes. Like, Liminal's said really good things about those guys. I won't, dude. I'm not daft. I'm not gonna come to the end without me sword. Tell you what, yeah, you should be able to come along, Max. Don't see why not. What was I gonna say? Yeah, like I do want to try and watch their stuff at some point. It's just when they go live at like 6 p.m. their time, it's like midnight my time. Unfortunately, make it awkward. Aye, you're in the US too. That makes sense, to be fair. So when we not quite evening, but yeah, it's like afternoon. So when you got, I think, what time is it? About 9 o'clock. Liminal does them. It's like 9 o'clock for you guys, right? That's usually like 3 o'clock, 3:30 for me. So yeah, it's later in the day. It's why when everyone is free to awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's why when me and Liminal do collaborations, it's usually on like a Saturday because with that kind of time difference between us, it's kind of difficult during the week. Like Liminal will be getting up. Like let's put it this way: Liminal will sometimes be getting out of bed when I'm going home from work. I finish work at 4:30 in the afternoon, and like I will be leaving work when Liminal gets up sometimes. Like, that's how much of a time difference there is. It's usually like 6 or 7 a.m. for you, 9 a.m. for them. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. So you're a few hours off Liminal as well by the sounds of it, aren't you? Time zones are such a sod. They really are. Max, do you all bring the wood you've got back over to me? And we'll take it back down to the tunnel. But yeah, it's one of the reasons why my messages might seem a little bit out of whack on their Discord sometimes, Asher. It's not that I'm like awkward or anything. It is just difference in time zones. So it's a pain in the butt, but what can you do? Right, we'll wait for Max to come over so we can go. In fact, tell you what, do you want me to TP you to a tunnel, Max? That might be easier. The exploding CPU issue was Asus. Yeah. Before I read it, I'm gonna guess it was the Asus motherboard, probably with an Intel CPU, and I'm gonna guess that the motherboard made the CPU draw way too much current. Right, now I'm gonna read your message, see if I was right. Asus was who aggressively overvolted the CPU to the point, yeah, called it. They wouldn't replace. I did hear a little bit about this because I watched MJ's 2 cents his video on it. Sure, awesome. I'll TP you to me, buddy. Yeah, like that. I'm sorry. Complete bullshit. To be force a CPU to throw that much power is nuts. Okay, if you're okay to stick the. I love that horn you've got, dude. If you stick just the logs in there, and then just the saplings, the sticks, the apples, get rid, do whatever you'd like. And then we'll go see Het in a minute. Yeah, I am. You can call me Ashy if it's easier. Awesome. Thank you very much, Ashy. I will call you that. Beep, beep, beep. AMD CPUs. Oh, was it AMD? Really? AMD CPUs? Oh, actually, I suppose it makes sense because they're drawing less power. So if the boards are still trying to force them to draw as much power as the Intel ones, okay, I can see how it was AMD then. But still, either way, stupid and a major problem. Really massive problem, that. Let's get the sticks in. Last part is the icing in the cake. The UFE. Oh, I must have missed that. Give me a moment. What other streamers do you watch out of interest, Ashy? Kind of curious. I always like to know who else is around. I do want to find more streamers to like collab with. I love doing collabs and that as well. Anyway, let's look at this. So they took ages acknowledging the issue and wouldn't replace any part. There's a fix. They sent out a beta UFI for their bot. Wait, they sent out a beta UFI? Oh, I'm already a little sketched by that. Stating that if you installed said UFI, you avoid your... They're the ones who sent it out. Fucking hell. Yeah, that is disgusting. No two ways about it. Yeah, complete agreement there, Jeevious. That is disgusting. Okay, hey, are you ready for me and Max to come over? I don't actually know where you are, so are you okay with me teleporting myself and Max to your position? Might be a little bit easier. Yeah, no, I can kind of see why, Jeevious. I'm gonna have to look into that. Not that I don't trust you, it's just I like to get more information on these things before, like, putting my money where my mouth is, so to speak. But with these being the case, I gotta say, Aces aren't likely to get much more from me either. Hey, welcome back, Vanguard. Hope you're doing well. Tell you what, Max. Tell you what, if I TP you to me, TP that Mad Max to me, then I will make you some armor. How are you doing anyway, Vanguard? I hope you're doing well. Right, in fact, hang on, I actually have armor. Here you go. How's this? That's some leftover armor. That should keep you going for a while. Do you have a sword, dude? Do you need a sword? There you go. A bit of kit should help you out. Feel free to keep it. That's, like, leftover. I'm aware how this looks. I feel kind of bad. I'm like, oh yeah, that's just like leftover diamond armor. Like, I don't need it anymore, so take that. No, that's not what I mean. I spend too much time playing Minecraft, god damn it. Oh boy. My memory may be faulty and my biases may have amplified some parts of the story. Yeah, like, that's just it. It's just getting more information about it. But certainly, like, as a basis, not exactly making me want to support these companies. And unfortunately, I can't say I'd be surprised either. Right, hey, are you ready for us to teleport over to you? Before we teleport over. I don't want to teleport us over if we're just going to fall into the void. Yes, awesome. Awesome. Right, what was the command? Come on, you've used it enough. Let's teleport Max first. That's not it. There we go. And then TP myself to, let's see what you've made, buddy. Oh, bloody hell, that's a little too close to the edge. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I'm suddenly feeling a little bit uncomfortable. Hoo, hoo. Hey, Nate, welcome on in, dude. I hope you're doing well. Oh, no, 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 no. If I lose this sword, Tim will actually kill me. Tim will actually kill me. Fuck off. Get lost. Don't actually get... Ooh, in fact, right, you know what? Give me a minute. I'll be back in a minute, guys. Oh, how are you doing there? I hope you're doing well. Sound like you're doing well. I'm still a little bit coffee. I have been. It's taken me ages to get over an illness I got from Confuzzled. It was a bloody nightmare. But I'm getting there, thanks, dude. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Right, okay. I will be back in a second, guys. But I basically, if I lose this shit, I'm not going to be happy. Also, Tim spent ages making me this sword. And if I lose it, he will actually kill me. So, I'm just going to, you know, dump my good stuff in there. And then I'm just going to make shit stuff. to get me going. Because I don't want to lose that shit. I will genuinely be really annoyed if I lose that. Oh, man. Beep, 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 beep. Right, pickaxe. My friend I was stuck with got... Yeah, I think he got a lot of people, Vanguard. Like, I'm not sure it was conquered. Because, like, it's lasted way too long, and so many people have got it with it lasting weeks. Like, I've done 2.5 week long scout camps where I've been working non-stop for like 20 hours every day. Like, and I've come back afterwards, and it has not taken me this long to recover. Like, it has been a nightmare. So I suspect that there's just been like a bug going around or something. But I could be wrong, but that would be what I'm guessing. How's your friend doing? I hope he's feeling a little bit better now. Right, I'll be back there in a second, guys. And it started becoming an issue, blacklisting companies for me. Gigabyte, Gigabyte I will not buy. Like, after the exploding power supplies, gotta go back to work. Have a good day. No worries. Thank you very much for dropping in, Ashy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Yeah, after the exploding power supplies, I don't trust Gigabyte anymore. That's just a no. MSI, poor quality. Being mainly an ITX guy, ooh. Yeah, you're really limiting your options there, unfortunately. Right, let's see. Give me a moment. I am teleporting back to you guys now. I don't particularly want to lose my levels, but my main points... Ooh! Fuck off. Oh, no! No! Hex! No! 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 Hex! I'm so sorry! No! Oh, no! Oh, fucking hell. I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh, where is you? Do you get a chest if you, like, fall out though? Okay, message me all the stuff you lost, and I will replace it the best I can out of the stuff at my house. I am so sorry. Oh, I feel like an absolute asshole. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm such an asshole. Still got a bit of a cough, but he's got a little better. Okay, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. Alright, beware of that Enderman. Ooh, hello. Will you fuck off? Oh, mother... bollocks, bastard, shitting cock! I'm starting to see why you're having so many... why you've had so many issues here. Oh, man, you muppet. Oh, yeah, not wrong. Oh, wait, I got a chest. Why did I get a chest and Head didn't? That makes no sense. Rewind. Oh, that's not the right one. I want to T-port, TP. Oh, motherfucker! Fuck! Oh, no. You will get to show off your things soon, here. I promise. I'm just a fucking moron. I've been keeping well, being hanging out with... Ooh, how's virality been going? Honestly, I would have liked to have joined, but it was just too soon after Confuzzled, and I had other stuff I had to be getting on with. But I hope you have a wonderful time there. Come to London at the end of the month for the Fermi. Oh, you're going to LFM. Enjoy, dude. I hope you have a great time. Also, Tim's just joined the server. Welcome on in, dude. Oh, man. Right, so where? Oh, yes. So how come I got a chest and Het didn't? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Right, feck off you. There we go. Oh boy, can you imagine if it was one? Oh, I know. Tim, My stuff's safe back in my house. Don't worry about it. Alright, show us what you got, He. Show us what you got. My friend told me Minecraft was cozy. They clearly... Look, Minecraft is cozy. There's just certain areas of Minecraft that are less cozy than others. And the end is one of them. The end is definitely one of them. Also, creepers. They're a bitch. The nether is also a little bit dangerous. Ghasts are a pain in your ass. So yeah, it's cozy if you don't mind all the like extra details that are like not so good. Oh, hey Tim, you're brave wearing your kit. I've left mine back at the house because I daren't lose it. Also, I'm curious here. Is there a reason why you've made it all out of flowers? Kind of curious. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is we're really kind of take our lives into our own hands with standing on one block of I'm not very good at platforming. Are we going in? I'm not quite sure how this is an Enderman farm yet. I feel like I'm missing something. Next, I'll try putting out a bit more money, a bit more expensive ASRock board. They're supposed to be alright. I've used ASRock once or twice. They've worked. I can't really remember much beyond that, to be honest. They worked, which, honestly speaking, what more do you want out of a motherboard, really? So long as it's got what you need. Oh, no! Oh, phew, FOMO. I thought you just offed yourself, Max. Can I get in? Look left past the armor stand to anger the Enderman. As in, like, at the Enderman, or... Okay. Wait. Are they all spawned in one... Oh, whoa! Oh, okay. Oh! Neat! I see how it works. Right, I see. That's pretty solid. Shame I've not got my big sword. Also, why are these guys taking so long to kill? Holy shit, what? Give a hit or let crap. Oh! Will they overcrap? Nice! Okay. Drops. Virality was really good. Had an opportunity to meet some new people. Awesome. Yeah, like, I was at Confuzzled and that was my first con. And honestly, the ability to meet new folks at these events, absolutely amazing. Some of them are truly amazing. But no, Max! Poor sword. The hammer stand gives sweeping damage. Have I broke it? Sure, I can TP you back. Actually, Max, you can do slash warp. Oh, yeah, you need TP here. Give me a sec. I'm being very oh, I can't see shit now. Well, yeah. Anyway, back to the message. Some more local and others from afar. Overall pleasant experience. Awesome. Glad to hear it, dude. If you want your ender pearl, look where to despawn. Oh, neat. Okay. Wow, this is really taking advantage of the game's mechanics here. Understanding how the mobs work. That's pretty cool. But I'm glad to hear you have a good time at Virality here. How long is left of Virality? Does that end today or has it got another day left of it? Well, they don't want to despawn, but I'm not too fussed about getting the ender pearl anyway. I don't need it. I've just wanted to see what the farm was like. This is pretty cool. Nice one. Okay, I'm going to go see if Max got his stuff back. Give Max... did you get your stuff back, Max? I'm going to feel a little bad if you don't. The watering of the flowers... Oh, that's why you've got flowers. Okay, that makes sense. Almost there? Solid. Let us know if you need a hand getting your stuff back, dude. I use an ASRock board right now, but it's the cheapest of the cheaper Z690 chipset. Ah, okay. VRMs are puny. Yeah, that's gonna limit your CPU's power. Hey, good to hear, Max. Yeah, that's gonna limit your CPU's ability to like ramp up its clocks a bit. Unfortunately. Yeah, you might. Woohoo! Drifting a bit. Oh, I hate heights. Yeah, make it a bit safer might be a good shout, Het. Oh boy. Can't supply my CPU with enough power. Also has a green LED, which is always on. Why? That seems like a bit of a waste. Like, while it's posting, sure, but not while it's like generally running. That seems like a bit of a waste. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my kit back. Now I've got this random diamond stuff that I'll never wear again. I will probably put it in the community storage at some point. Get me cool kit. Get me snazzy kit back. Boom, 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 boom. The ending tell me it was 4 AM this morning. Ooh, oh, is it a US-based one? That would make sense. I remember seeing stuff online about it being awkward for Europe first to access. That would make sense. But I believe Meetup Worlds are available for another day. Same with the lobby and fireworks display. Neat. The con closes completely on Thursday. Okay, so you've still got a few days left of meets and stuff if you want to do it. That's pretty neat. Ah, man. I said I was going to look into like trying VR chat more and stuff like that, but I just haven't got around to it. I need to do more with my VR headset. I was looking at even trying to do like VR streams at one point, and I just didn't get any further with it. It's also on when the PC is off. Why? That seems like a waste. Why does it need to have the LED? What's the LED signifying while your PC is off? Like, what? That your PC has power? Your PC is off. You don't need to know if it's got power in that moment. That's an interesting design choice. Little bit unnecessary. Haven't had any issues with the puny power supply. Why? What size is your power supply? Let's see. It's pretty cool. I quite like it. It looks pretty neat. You know what? Fuck it. I will go for a minecart ride again because I want to explore our nice tunnel and show off our progress to folks. Beep, 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 beep. Boink. Yeah, it was a little awkward to arrange meetups, but we all made it work. Time zones are a bitch. Like, we were saying this earlier, because, like, so the folks that I'll chat are from, like, the US, and so the streamers that I work with from the US. And when you've got, like, a 6 or 7 hour, like, difference in time, it's nuts. It's really difficult to plan things around. Like, you make it work because, like, you all want to do things. You all do things together. But it does make things awkward. It really does. Oh, boy. Just so you know, I was showing my uncle how to use a Twitch Prime sub now, and we're doing it. Oh, what timing was that, Prof? Beautiful timing. Oh, I don't know if I even clipped myself throwing off the edge there. I've got a few clips, but I don't know if I got that one. Fuck! The future supply, from the VRMs. Right, I was going to say, if your main PSU's a little bit on the low side, you're playing with fire a little bit there, dude. PSU is a beast. Nice. What have I got in mind? I don't remember the power supply I've got in mind. I think I have a 750 watt, but I'd have to double check. Pretty sure it's a Corsair CX 750 watt, but it's been a while since I've had my PC apart, so I don't remember exactly. It's an MSI RTX 3070, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM at 3600 MHz, Ryzen 7 3800X. Don't remember the motherboard off the top of my head. Why have we got minecart? What the fuck are these minecarts doing, eh? Why are we going backwards now? Fuck's sake. Yeah, I think the power supply is a Corsair CX 750. I have to double check though. And it's in a case that, as good as it looks, I kind of wish I didn't get. It's in a NZXT H510. Looks nice, the case, sleek black design, tempered glass panel, but not very good for airflow. I wish I got a different one. It's beastly. Ooh, yeah, because you've got a mini ITX. That makes sense going for the SFX. Wow. 1200 watt platinum rated. Holy shit, you did get a beastly power supply. First, they screenshot the amount of pals you found in those few seconds in the Discord. Nice. I'll take a look after the stream. Yeah, we're going backwards. We're gonna have to sort out these bloody minecarts. Also, I don't seem to be going as fast as I should be. Is our plugin not working? Okay, I might have to check the plugin because we should be going a lot faster than this. Like, much faster than this. That's a bit annoying. It was a gift from your employer. Honestly, that's a solid gift. Nice. Good to see the Materies working well. Nice. No! Why are you putting me in a collar? Why? I don't need a collar. Damn. Lazy Fang, thank you so much for the raid. We were just talking about you earlier, actually. Welcome on in, raiders. I'm Materies Coil, Wolf Ranger and Variety Streamer, and we're chilling playing some Minecraft. Lazy Fang, thank you so much for trusting me with your community. If you all take a break, raiders as well, go put your feet up, go grab a drink, whatever. Feel free to. Lazy Fang, if you all stick around and tell me about your stream, absolutely feel free to, dude. Collaring so I can color. I mean, you don't need to put a collar on me. I will come and give you a hug. I will give you a hug. If you put a collar on me, I'm more likely to give you a punch and then a hug, but you'll still get your hug. How you doing, buddy? I hope you're keeping well. No, not the mustaches. What the fuck? Right, okay. Do you reckon we'll actually get to do a full minecart like travel at some point? Or have I completely bunged up these rails? More fun than... Oh, yeah. I'm sure it is. How was your stream, dude? What were you streaming? I hope you had a good time. That hug will turn into a tremors. Wait, it's working this side? We're going faster this side. Why was it not working that side? Fuck. I'm doing well, getting back into the swing of things streaming-wise. Aye, I know what you're meaning. I'm trying to get back into it as well. Are you feeling better from Confuzzled Lazy? I feel like everyone I speak to, so many of us, were like struggling from illness. It was an absolute nightmare. It's taken weeks for us all to recover from it. How long have you been sitting on that? Oh, he's probably been waiting for that for ages, Heh. He's probably been working on that one for ages. Was playing Nier Replicant. Ooh, nice one. I hope it went well. Getting better now. Awesome. Yeah, it has been some major... like I said, I think it's been more like a bug or something going around. I think it's been less Kong bug, more bug. There was another bloody minecart left there. Damn it, I'm gonna have to, like, run down this thing. That's the longest bug track. Oh, dude, it's gonna be a long one. Hang on, tell you what, if I if I put it on this view, you get a rough idea. So I'm up in the north, in like the northwest. It's hard to see on this map, but there's like a small island. That's where this starts. I have now stopped, and we are. So this is as far as this track goes. And if you look to the left of where I am, you see like that patch of grey with a bit of green in the middle of it. That's where we're going. We're building this minecart system to go from my like fortress that I'm building to Prof's Dwarven Stronghold. Like, it's pretty neat. And thank you for the tea time, Nate. Appreciated. I should probably put it, you know, back on my view. We're just collecting minecarts. In fact, tell you what, I kind of... How far does this go? Because I know Prof built this pretty far. Imagine if there's a... Honestly, I kind of wanted to do that 1 point max. That'd be really cool. It's the main issue is how, like... Okay, main issue isn't how long it can take. Because it can be a slow burning project. There's another fucking minecart. Why are there so many fucking minecarts here? Get the hell out the way! Pains in the ass. But yeah, like, we could do it. Ah, you missed the sea owl, dude. There you go. What level are you? Ooh, level 37. Nice one. Enough to drive someone mad, I think. Oh, absolutely. But it would be fun, though. It would be fun. Oh, boy. Right, let's try and grab all of this lot. Grab that lot. So we've got some of the carts going. I'm going to start running down here. Aye, go on, guys. Go beat up Lakea. She's going to be pissed at me saying that, but go beat up Lakea. See if you can beat Lakea. We're going to be ending the stream soon, but see if you can beat Lakea before I end the stream. Go on. You all want a chunk of that XP. Like, no, Lazy Fang. Unlucky, dude. Damn. Bloody lich, eh? Move, cart, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, move, cart, get out the way. Turn that into a Minecraft parody. Gonna lurk? No worries. Thank you so much for lurking, and thank you for the raid once again, dude. Take care of yourself, and I hope you continue to feel better. Oh, 6 levels. Ow! That stung a bit, didn't it? Yeah, dying can lose you a fair bit of XP. You got this, though. You can get back up there. You can get back up there. Right, I'm just going to wander down here. I realise we're not doing a whole lot now, but that's mainly because I'm just, like, vibing with you guys. Oh, boy. Oh, Lakea, will you stop posting multiple messages, you little shit? You're a pain in the ass. Collar looks... Oh, why thank you. I positively love this collar. It really brings out the lightning in my fur. I'm a fucking ranger. I stand for freedom, not this bondage of this fucking collar. I don't know if that's meant to be going like, you know, Scottish or whatever, but sure. Like, yeah, Lakea is definitely a little active here, isn't she? Oh. Go on, guys. You can beat Lakea. You can beat her. Oh, I didn't even notice Lakea posted a riddle. Oops. Go on, guys. You can beat her. You got this. You got this. Grind those levels. Oh, man. I wish I knew what exactly the issue was. I thought it might have been like slow internet, but I don't think it's that anymore because it seems to like drag onwards. So I don't know what causes this issue where she starts double posting things. Oh, man. Genuinely don't know. And it's a hard one to test as well. Really hard one to test and debug. Just looking for more bloody lost minecarts now. It's a long, lonely trek. Oh, man. Okay, wow, we really are making a lot of progress. Holy shit. Thanks for the hand there, Max. Honestly, Max has been amazing. Really helping make a lot of progress down here. Thanks, dude. Just keep going. Does she think she only posts once? Presumably. She should only post these things once, but I don't know what might be, something is clearly triggering her to process these events twice. So I don't know why. Thing is, she doesn't seem to be processing the events twice at the moment. She's just posting... Wait, because she's not sending those messages twice. She's only sending those once. So it's on... Hang on. What if we put another status one? Status. Where's my status? Okay, I don't have a quick status. Maybe log the trigger. I need to change her login mode. She's currently set to morning. Status is twice. Yeah, that. That's it. Yeah. Oh wow, it's 3 times now. But it's only doing it once for the boss battles. Yeah, I don't know. She's using osmosis. We're both wrong. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Hang on. Wait, yeah, you put status there. Okay. Yep, no. So she's still. Yep, that makes sense. So she is doing it twice. Yeah. So she's not doing it for others, but she's only doing it for status. And then she's doing it for some of the other messages like lurk. So that means she's doing it for the commands. Is it the commands? Yeah, so Discord, command, quote, commands. Okay, but the redeems, okay, there we go. That helps narrow it down a little bit. The commands are what are posting twice for some reason. Huh. Okay, well that at least narrows it down a little bit. So it's a case of something is making the commands. The commands will post once, and then something is changing it so that the commands will post multiple times. So I need to figure out what that trigger is. So yeah, I'll change her login mode. She's currently set to warning, so she only logs warnings and above. But I'll change her login mode to info for the next few streams and see if we can find anything. Because it's proven to be a problem. It's proven to be a problem. Oh boy. Also, Bladed absolutely decking things. Has everyone had a go at Lakea now? Go on, you can beat up Lakea. You're so close. So close. Oh man. Also, that is enabled, right? Pistol. Okay. Sort that out later on. I must have not enabled it. Just trying to hammer out my trainings. Oh, yeah, no, that is true. Actually, get the train done before the boss fight. Very true. Very true. Okay, I cannot be bothered to walk down. How much further have we got to go? Hang on. Long one. Scenes. And one will. Okay, yeah, we've got a way to go. I don't know if I can be bothered to walk the rest of this tonight. I'm out of boss battles and my points are low as well. No worries. Like I said, I didn't get the channel update sorted like I wanted to, but I am planning on making all the monster battles cheaper. They're going to be cheaper in terms of points because we have more redeems now, and we also have things like when we do the crowd control and stuff. So I will make some of it a little bit cheaper, particularly as they've done their job anyway. So we will see how that goes. Got a number of things to talk about that. Number of things to talk about for the channel update. Oh, a fun one. A lot of you, some of you may remember, a while ago, I played through Halo 1, 2, and 3 with Will. Well, as of next week, me and Will will be starting Halo ODST, and I am so looking forward to that. That should be a good one. We're hoping to do Halo Reach afterwards, but we're going to do Halo ODST and see how we get through. The reason it's taken so long has been it's a nightmare to try and get our schedules to align. Trying to get both me and him free at the same time is almost impossible. So, yeah, we're finally doing it, and we're hoping to play through that. Just trying to hammer out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, Lyle. I think people enjoy it. That's going to be fun. I've genuinely had a lot of fun streaming Halo with Will, and I'm looking forward to doing it again. I thought you guys might enjoy that. Like, we enjoy a lot of our collabs, but it's not often me and Will get to sit and game together, and I think playing through things like Halo together, genuinely an awful lot of fun. So, we're going to be starting that next Monday, actually. As of next Monday, and then on Mondays for the foreseeable future, we'll play through ODST. I think we'll estimate if we'll need about 3 or 4 streams for it, so there's not going to be a lot through ODST. But once we've done ODST, we're going to see if we can do Reach. Those were some great streams. I'm glad you enjoyed them, and I'm so glad we're getting to do more. I had a blast playing through Halo with Will. I think more co-op games between you and him would be absolutely hilarious. Oh, yeah. Like, I would love to do more with him. Like, because the two of us do, like, we have fun together, but also not afraid to take the piss out of each other a little bit. Unfortunately, just like I said, it's schedules. Like, there was another stream we wanted to do. So you might remember ages ago we did a stream which was a speed run. Me and him speed running Halo, which bit of a disaster. I was never gonna keep up. Um, we're gonna do the same, but with like other games, games that weren't so one-sided. So like we're gonna do the same with Simpsons Hit and Run, for example, because like we've both played Simpsons Hit and Run, but neither of us have played it to a point where one of us is an expert in it. So it would be like a more balanced speed run race. And we wanted to do more stuff like that. But again, it's just timings. Hopefully, we can do stuff like that in the future. But it really is just a case of wait and see. Damn, this collar's lasting a long time. Oh, boy. Not much further, though. Hey, yeah, not much further. We can make it for the rest of it. Hey Nate, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome on into the Woodland Rangers. Take care of yourself. I'm glad you're enjoying the streams. Oh man. Yeah, like so I've just so much fun stuff I want to do. So many fun streams, so many fun YouTube ideas, like other things I want to do as well. It's just time. It really is time. I want to get into like creative writing, writing stories and stuff like that as well. I still want to do more with like practicing guitar, like oh, too many projects, not enough time. ADHD is a fucking bitch. Oh wow, I'm actually kind of starving. I should pay attention to that. Oh man. Right, here we go. Alright, yeah, we should see what other co-op games are available though. See what other fun ones are. One that we said would have been fun. I don't know if we'll ever be able to do this, but if we could, this would be brilliant. It would be myself, Tim, Will, and Plus. It would be the four of us, and it would be a sofa stream. So we would be playing party games like Ultimate Chicken Horse. So we'd be sat. So you'd have Ultimate Chicken Horse on the stream, and then a little web camera pointed at the four of us lot on the sofa, and we'd just be like streaming that. We said that would be so much fun, and I would love to do it. The issue is just like again trying to get our schedules together for it. But if we could, that would be absolutely amazing. Oh, man. You know what? I think we might have cleared all the minecarts out of it. Good. Yeah, land pie vibes. Absolute land pie vibes. Oh, man. I used to love the land parties that we did at university. They were truly brilliant. Like, when I was at university, for context for sort of newer folks, me and a few others, once a month, would run LAN parties at the university, and we'd get as many people as we could to come along, bring all the computers. We had all the networking gear, and people would bring consoles and games and all sorts. And we would just sit for the full day and play games together, run tournaments, and just have a bit of casual fun. There we go. Like literally just having fun with it. And at the end of the day, we'd do a massive pizza order. Everyone together would do one massive pizza order. And it was great fun. Absolutely loved those guys. Like, they were absolutely brilliant. At our biggest, we had over 100 people attend those events. And we had 97 PCs on the network at once. How do I remember it was specifically 97 PCs? Well, funny you should ask that. I know it because I was the one that ran the bloody network. And at one point that day, the network went down and I had 96 pairs of eyes turn to me and stare at me while I panically tried to fix the missing internet. I have never had to debug something so fucking quickly. Like, forget about my PC. The fact that everyone else is staring at me really got me moving. Oh, what works for my LAN group is plan out sessions at least. Yeah, that's the thing. As an adult, it's so much harder. Like, I was at university. I was a student at the time. It was much easier. As an adult, things like LAN parties or D&D and stuff like that become so much harder. It sucks, but they really do. Oh boy. Anyway, I think we'll look at Lee ending the stream there. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and thank you again to Max for helping me out. Let's see if we can find someone to raid, eh? Let's see if we can find someone to raid. Who is live on Twitch? Winry's going, and Winry's playing some Minecraft. So let's raid into Winry. So let's see. If you want to join our Discord, then here is a link. Feel free to jump on in. Thank you very much for the raid, Vanguard, and also Lazy Fang, you two, for raiding and trusting me with your community. Feel free to jump in the Discord, folks. We have streams, stream schedules. Oh, my mind's getting tired. Games, scoreboards. Absolutely, feel free to jump in and say hi. We also have the community Minecraft server that I was playing on. We've got more streams later this week. We're giving another crack at Sonic Heroes and a few other bits and pieces as well. And like I said, Halo next week as well. Now, when I somehow get time, I will try and fix up some of the minor bugs we've got. Okay, let's set up this raid, shall we? Following Winry. Okay, so if you are following, then you can use this raid message. Or if you are subscribed, you can use this raid message. So please do post these into Winry's chat as we raid in, guys. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. It has been absolutely amazing as always. Thank you to everyone who followed and raided in. I'm glad you enjoy my streams. I hope you enjoy our little community. The arrow does not work on the others' channels. Oh. That must be something on Winry's channel. That sucks a bit. Oh, sorry about that. Well, you should be able to use the arrow, but okay. Interesting. Thanks for letting me know, Devious. I will fix that later on. Anyway, we will raid out for now with that, and I'll find a better way later on. Take care, guys. Is that raiding? Fuck's sake.